5th of February, my lord. This Thursday, my lord.
1/6, right?
Yes, my lord.
1/6. Okay.
5th,
The
my lord.
scan record is there, no?
Can you recognize case there?
Yes, there
Case
is.
diary has come.
Case there.
Case diary has come.
We'll file an affidavit, my lord.
5th. You file an
Fifth,
additional.
Thursday, my lord.
Adjourn. Case diary be retained. 5th.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
May I plead the lordship, my lord, one bail application have been filed on 27/1.
You
So
want-
may I pray for listing tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Lordship, same
Obliged,
here.
my lord.
Yes.
May please, for listing regular bail application.
May it please, your lordship. My lord, one bail application was filed, listed on Friday, lordship.
Okay.
That was directed to be listed today, lordship.
Not
The
listed.
order is also there, lordship,
Okay.
but that is not listed, lordship. My lord, urgency is there because there is interim order. That was also not continued, lordship, on the day, lordship.
Is it?
So, lordship, may I pray for listing this matter today for that purpose only, lordship?
Production list.
Obliged, lordship.
No problem.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 50 in daily list.
50.
50, lordship.
50.
Function of the other side, lordship. Matter will be listed after 2 weeks, lordship.
50. Consider that is after 3 weeks, date to be fixed by registry.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13 with the consent of other side.
13.
13. Matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
Okay. Any interim order?
No interim.
Matter listed after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 47, Learned Council SK and Mohammed is expired. So I need some time to engage the new council.
47.
Seven.
There's a,
47.
they're connected.
46.
Huh?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Both are both. You're representing
I'm representing SK and Mohammed only
Okay.
for 47 item.
only
number.
for 47.
46 is amicus curiae for the side of prisoner of
Mhm.
D. Sharma.
Jail appeal.
Jail. That's why amicus was appointed.
Okay, when I should fix it? How long later I should fix it?
Lordship,
Af-
2 weeks.
Uh, 47, right? 47 to lead also. Praise for an adjournment for 2 weeks. List after 2 weeks. Can we fix a date? Huh? Then also, this also we can list on that day, same day. No, 46. 46 I cannot adjourn because a different council is there, right? So this I am adjourning after 2 weeks. So after hearing 46, we'll fix the same date. So I will give you a date. This is the calendar. I'll give you a date. 16, next to next Monday. Okay. 16/2.
My lord, item 28. Date already fixed on 9/2/2026.
Just wait, 1 minute.
Listed today, my lord.
Sorry, you have to kindly repeat, sir.
Item 28.
28.
Date already fixed on 9/2/2026. But
Not listed.
unfortunately.
Not listed. It's
listed
blank.
today, Listed today.
You want to move it today?
No,
Not listed today.
Listed today and it was listed as per the order 9/2/26.
I see.
But today it is listed. That's why he's playing for adjournment, I think so. Maybe it's adjournment like, we have not received the case diary also.
Okay, no, they have, in my cause list, they have deleted it.
Okay.
And in this cause list, they have mentioned that it is wrongly listed. No problem.
No,
It will come up on 9/2 only.
9/2.
Okay, don't worry.
all right.
May I please?
Yes, please.
I beg to item number 18, lordship.
18.
188. For CD is not available.
183. Case they not received.
He's in custody, right?
This one is.
Yes, sir.
Interim was there. Interim was there.
Interim is there. Case diary is not received. Issue reminder. Interim bail stands extended. List the matter. You can suggest
11/2.
11/2.
Obliged.
Motion to item number 1.
Your Lordship, I wanted to mention an anticipatory bail
Okay.
in this court for tomorrow.
For listing.
No, for me, I want to mention.
Yes, listing for tomorrow.
Listing, yeah.
AB.
Okay. No problem.
Please, your lordship.
One more, one.
One.
Question. Regular bail application, lordship. Lordship, another bail application arising out of the same affair, lordship, pending before this honorable court, lordship.
Yeah. Which,
Subsequent is fixed
which
on
date fixed on?
9/2.
9/2.
Nine
Should
two.
we fix
Nine
it
to
together?
10
Oh, lordship.
Together?
Okay,
along with the
He's
COVID.
in custody since 15/11, right?
yes, 15, 12, 20.
15/12, sorry. Heard, Mr.
H. Borua appearing on behalf of M. Kolita.
No, H. Borua.
Yes, lordship.
Sure, I'll record your name. H. Borua, Learned Counsel,
along with
and
about BA,
DP Goswami. Full
BA
stop.
number.
Call for the case diary of North Lakhimpur PS case number 431 of 2025. The
Yeah.
petitioner is in custody since 15/12/2025. List on 9/2/2026.
Along with.
Along with-
BA number, lordship, 221/26. Oh, lordship.
Number two. Please, your lordship. 483 application minor, charge sheeted matter minor. Scan to TCR and call for minus.
Charge sheeted matter
Yes, ma'am.
pertaining to NDPS
Yes, madam.
or POXO.
POXO, madam.
Oh,
POXO.
then you take steps also for
Yes, ma'am.
issuance of notice upon respond number 2, okay? Call for the scan TCR of special case number 71 of 2025 arising out of Jalukbari PS case number 125 of 2025 from the court of the learned additional learned special judge POXO Kamrup Metro. Full stop. The petitioner is in custody since 13/3/2025. The petitioner, the steps may also be taken upon the respond number 2/informant through the office of the, like this, Mr. Goswami, office of the prosecutor,
Lordship.
and to be executed by the concerned police station. Then it will be fast. Because he is in custody for a long time. Let's list the matter on call for scan TCR.
19/2, lordship.
90, minor.
19/2.
If you are.
Number three.
Yes,
Lordship, an earlier bail application arising out of the same FIR has been pending before the Court of Honorable Justice Mr. Rajesh Majumdar, where the CD has been called for, fixing the next date as 12 February. So kindly this instant bail application may be taken together.
12th February.
12 February, anticipated bail application 104 of 2026.
104.
104 of
Hmm.
2026.
heard, good name, please.
Ms. P. Bora.
P. Bora. P. Bora. Call for the case diary. I'll just call for the case. Call for the case diary of Golaghat PS case number 256 of 2025. Petitioner is in, he's in custody since 1/1/2026, full stop. List the matter before appropriate bench. Along with AB number
104, 2026.
104 of 2026, fixed on 12,
12th of February.
list on 12/2/2026.
Obliged, Lordship.
Number four.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, here the petitioner was arrested on 24/6/2025. As on date, lordship, he has completed 7 months and 10 days. Lordship, may kindly come to the FIR, lordship. It is a charge sheeted case.
Mhm.
Though lordship, initially 64 was there,
Mhm.
but lordship, at the time of submission of the charge sheet, lordship, the police officer was of the view that 64 is not there.
Hmm.
My lord, may kindly come to page number 16 first. The FIR,
Page number 16. yes.
16, 1/6.
I'm on 16 only.
This small FIR, may I read it?
Yes.
lordship?
With due respect.
With due respect, the above submission is that I am an ASA worker. Yesterday on 22/6/2025 at around so and so, I left my house to attend ASA workers meeting scheduled to be held at the house of so and so, so and so, so and so. When I reached near the tea garden, the above mentioned accused person came from the back and snatched away my mobile phone and introduced himself as one of the resident of so and so. Then the accused person took me forcefully inside the tea garden and by tying my hand, so and so, so and so. So omitting of rape is their lordship allegation. Now lordship may kindly come to the charge sheet. Page number 27 would be relevant.
Yes, please. Yeah,
During interrogation, my lord got it.
during investigation.
Visited the PO, drawn up a rough sketch map, examined the available witnesses as well as complainant of the case, recorded their statement under section 180 BNSS 2023 and arranged medical examination of victim complainant. Here, lordship, the victim is herself is the informant.
Hmm.
As well as arrange her recorded statement under section so and so and receive copy of statement under 183 of so and so and medical examination report of the victim. The case is found when it well established under 126 to 127 to 74, 75, 76 and 84. Now, my lord, may kindly come to page number 34 for a moment. 34, my lord.
54.
34,
Okay.
the medical report.
Mhm.
Clause number 14. 14C, last,
Mhm.
final opinion. My lord got it. Page number
14 C.
14,
Yes, I've got it. Yes.
final opinion. There are no signs of
Suggestive of.
suggestive of so and so intercourse, but there is evidence of physical
Hmm.
so and so as such. So lordship, as because lordship, the allegation of rape was not clear, lordship, as per the medical report, therefore lordship, during the course of investigation, the officer was of the view, lordship, 64 is not there. Here, lordship, the petitioner is in custody since last 7 months and 10 days. Another interesting fact is that lordship, the victim is lordship 47 years old.
Mhm.
She is a married woman.
No, no, it's okay.
Yes.
But anyway, so there might be attempt,
Attempt may be lordship,
maybe.
but lordship, this is a charge sheeted case and 7 months, 10 days already, lordship. Let the scan copy be called for lordship. In the meantime, lordship may kindly release me on bail, lordship.
Charge has been framed, right? Charge has been framed.
Charges are framed.
And what is the stage of the trial?
Trial lordship, this charges has been framed on the last occasion, lordship. Someone's to be.
Witness not yet
No,
examined.
lordship. Let
Yes.
the LCR be called for lordship,
Yes.
and lordship, I may be released.
Interim would be
The investigation,
difficult. Mhm.
Yes.
only the facts disclosed during that part of section 64
Yes,
is not
yes.
there.
Anyway, so
Yes.
So record may be called for at least after presenting the record, lot people consider that prayer for bail.
Mr.
I'm
Learned
interim
Counsel
bail.
and DP Goswami, full stop. An FIR dated 23/6/2025 was lodged by the victim woman alleging rape, whereupon Neelam Bazar PS case number 86 of 25 was registered, which after investigation was charge sheeted against the accused. And subsequently leading to registration of sessions case number 197 or 25 dash presently pending before the learned additional session judge FTC Sri Bhumi.
Up to.
Charges have been framed against the accused under section page 30, under so and so section. But prosecution evidence has not yet started. Mr. Ahmed, Learned Counsel draws my attention to the medical opinion.
Dated
A
25th
copy of the medical opinion annexed with the bail petition, indicating no signs suggestive of intercourse, but stated that there is evidence of physical and genital assault. So the Learned Counsel prays for interim bail. Full stop. However, at this stage, I deem it prudent to only call for the scan TCR. The petitioner is stated to be in under trial detention since 24/6/2025. Call for the scan TCR comprising case diary and charge sheet and other relevant documents of so and so case number. Please the matter on.
18-2.
Is it okay for you? 18-2 or you will give it?
My lord,
It comes little earlier. 18-2 is okay, I think. If you have no problem, so just let me.
Shorter
think.
date, lordship.
Let me,
If lordship is not granting interim, may I? pay
short,
for a shorter
no,
date?
interim is like not time actually.
Then 13-2.
Okay.
Like
13 to.
12 to.
Well,
12.
highly approved.
Supplementary 54.
I'm not troubling your lordship, I'll call for the diary, my lord.
Not my duty. Not a trouble at all.
Okay.
At this stage, diary, huh?
Both cases, 54 and
Right, right.
Dhate kari budbar se-
Arrested on 12/1. Call for the NJ Dr. Land Council. Call for the case diary of Hojai PS case number 333 of 25. Sorry, Hojai, okay, no, sorry. Bail is, you're seeking bail in Lonka PS.
Lanka, this is Lanka, my lord, Lanka.
Lonka PS case number 241 of 2025. Huh? Lonka, itu na hoja. The petitioner was is stated to have been shown arrested in this case on 17/1/26, right? Right? Let's stop. Call for the case diary. He was shown arrested. He was arrested in connection with Hojai PS.
The next case.
Next case?
Next
Okay, acha. Okay. The other one. Next matter to hobo. 55, huh? I think 2073. Petitioner call for the case diary of Hojai PS case number.
333.
If we make a mistake, the wrong case diary will come. Hojai PS case number 333 of 2025. Full stop. He was arrested in this case, second one, on 12/1/2026. Okay, that's all.
On 10th, my lord.
10th.
I'm obliged, my lord.
185.
Motion.
No, may I please, your lordship?
A report was called for, my lord, by my lord protecting him, my lord.
Right.
But a report we have not received today.
Not received.
Not received, my lord.
I see. By the order dated 9/1/2026, a report was called for regarding registration of any case with regard to the petitioner. Full stop. And full stop, comma, and some an interim order was given. Regarding not taking any coercive action. Full stop. However, report is not received. Issue fresh requisition. The interim order shall continue. List on
18-2, my lord.
18/2.
Obliged.
Item number 6.
Is your lordship. What's the pre-arrest bail, my lord? The lordship will find the FIR, my lord, as page 9, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Okay.
With due respect, the informant begs to state that my daughter so-and-so is a student of class 9 of Hatibad High School. On 5/9/25 at about 7 AM, she went to the school, was missing. Although we have searched till date, we have not found. It is therefore your good self to investigate the matter. My lord, I have narrated the fact, my lord, if your lordship comes to page 3, paragraph 3, my lord.
Page 3, paragraph 3.
Page 3, paragraph 3. That the petitioner begs to state that the fact of the case is that victim who resides in village so-and-so in Mikirbata went to the house of the accused who resides in village Borbori under Lahorighat police station. On 5/9/25, when she reached the house of the accused petitioner, the father of the petitioner immediately taken the victim girl to the Lahorighat police station, and thereafter the police personnel of the Lahorighat police station handed over the victim girl to the family on the same day. It is pertinent to mention herein that the victim girl had love affair with the petitioner who is aged about 19 years. On the next paragraph, next page, my lord, that the petitioner begs to state that the informant and the father of the petitioner came to an agreement that the daughter of the informant will get married with the petitioner as and when she attains the age of the majority, and therefore the informant doesn't want to pursue with the present FIR, and the informant has no objection if the petitioner grant bail in the instant case. Now your lordship will turn to page 15, my lord. The affidavit sworn, my lord, by the,
I've seen.
my lord, page 16, my lord, paragraph 8, my lord. My lord, the informant also appears today, my lord.
You're appearing. Then should we call for the case diary or dispose it of?
I think when this was,
Let him appear, madam, we'll call for the case diary.
he had already appeared. Or even petitioner.
Let him appear before the IO, my lord, and we'll call for the case diary.
Heard NJ Dutta, Land Council, and for the petition, and RJ Bodo and A. Alam for the informant. Invoking 482, the petitioner is seeking pre-arrest bail in connection with Mikir Bheta PS case number 116 of 25 and the 140 within bracket 3 BNS. An Azahar was lodged by the father of the alleged victim girl about her missing, in which he stated to be aged 15 years and a student of class 9. Drawing attention to para 3 and 4 of the bail petition, it is submitted that pursuant to a love affair on 5/9, when the girl reached the house of the petitioner, accused petitioner, his father immediately took her to the Laharigot PS, and thereafter the girl was handed over by the police to the family. Subsequently, the parties arrived at an agreement, and an affidavit has been filed. Copy of an affidavit sworn by the informant / father has been annexed, in which he has stated about his no objection. Full stop. And that in the context of the love affair, their marriage will be solemnized after her majority. Learned Mr. Alam, appearing for the informant, supports the affidavit. The learned additional PP 6, the case diary, call for the case diary. However, in the interim, 15,000 with 1 zero, subject to the condition that you'll record a statement. Already recorded. Statement already recorded.
No, my lord.
Investigate, cooperate with investigation, examination,
16.
for examination, and not hamper or temporary assistance. This is the matter on 16 to
No, the 22, my lord.
20
20, my lord.
2020.
I will appear within 7 days.
I have not given any time as per your convenience.
I am obliged,
You
madam.
appear.
Deeply obliged.
Please favor.
Item number 7.
May I please, Lordship? Here the disputes between employers and employee. Police informed the petitioner to appear before the police, but after searching, no case has been found against the petitioner. The petitioner has been working under a project of development, residential project.
Mhm.
So petitioner was asked to receive case amount against some beneficiary customers.
Mhm.
And condition is that petitioner has to redeposit the amount on behalf of the company's informant. The petitioner has nothing to left, anything to redeposit. Everything has been redeposited. The question is that the petitioner has left their job.
Mhm.
So after 6 months of their lifting, this allegation has been made against the petitioner.
But case has not been raised.
not been raised, sir. Some protection may be given, Lordship. No coercive action and report may be called for.
The statement made in the bail application is that, my lord, the police is asking them to appear before the IO.
Appear.
So let them appear, my lord, to whether,
Okay.
and we will also verify in the meantime, my lord, whether any FIR has been registered or not.
What is the facts that they were working under
Working
the
under-
informants?
Okay.
And there was some,
They have received some money from the customers.
Mm.
The condition is that they have to redeposit the said amount to the
allegation is that they have not
not
deposited.
deposited, but we have already deposited. The mail, we
Mm.
mailed also.
Full stop. Mr. Fukon,
Fukon.
B. Fukon, Learned Council, and RJ Bor. The 5 petitioners herein are seeking pre-arrest bail. However, there is no They do not have any details of any case registered against them. But it is stated that they were working under the one Rejaul Ahmed and Rajiv Ahmed of Empire Developers. And earlier, and they were to receive certain money from customers and redeposit them. Full stop. The said persons are alleging that they have not deposited the money, though they have, though it is submitted that the petitioners have already deposited the money. Full stop. The petitioners are submitted to be no longer in the employment of the
Alright.
said two persons. Full stop. It is submitted, the police are asking them to appear. Call for a report from the Gitanagar PS, Gitanagar PS regarding registration of case against the petitioners with regard to this matter. Full stop. However, till the next date of listing, they shall not be subjected to any courtship measures, but they are at liberty to appear before the IO and make themselves available for examination. You can appear, no problem. Number two, the next, in the meantime, if case has been registered, the case diary thereof may be sent to the school for the next step. List on.
No course of action already. No course of action, no arrest. Maybe.
The courtship measures that will cover, huh? Because specific direction for it covers, because we need a case number
Yeah.
for that, but coursive action covers.
Covers.
No coursive action covers.
22, my lord.
22.
22.
22.
20.
20.
202, my lord.
Oh.
This.
This matter may be posted tomorrow along with item number 1 of tomorrow's list, my lord, because the husband of the petitioner arrested in connection with the same case. My lord. And this is anticipatory bail, my lord. So she is not FIR named, my lord. The police is behind her. It is the number.
Is the matter tomorrow along with
BA 266 of 26.
With BA 266 of 2026.
Tomorrow's item number 1, my lord.
that is item number 1.
My lord.
Okay. That will come automatically.
All right.
09.
Yes,
dear
Mr.
Lord.
Mazumdar.
Lordship, this is the arrest bail application, Lordship. The FIR is page 10, Lord.
Page 10.
Lord.
Let us read it. On 8/11/23.
On 8/11/2023, the accused number 1 came to my house and proposed to sell the below mentioned truck vehicle, and I accepted the proposal and accused person number 1 took check in the name of his wife. Accused person number 2's bank account by so and so. Only, and took his relax by GPay and PhonePe, but did not hand over the vehicle to me. Presently, on inquiry, I have come to know that the accused persons have changed the number plate and carrying illegal goods. The RC of the vehicle is registered in my name. Presently, I am receiving notice from finance. As such, it is paid that you are associates self-investigate matter. This is the case, Lordship. What happened, Lordship, after this case, police seized the vehicle and arrested accused number 1, that is the husband of the present petitioner.
Okay.
Then, Lordship,
Faisal Ahmed Laskar.
yes, Lordship. What happened, Lordship? The vehicle is in the name of the present petitioner, that is Baby Sultana Laskar.
Mhm.
And an agreement was there, page 13, Lordship. There is an agreement, Lordship, to sale agreement, Lordship. Informant, Lordship, was to purchase the vehicle. And as per this condition of this agreement, Lordship, after completing the transaction, entire amount is 16 lakhs, Lordship. They have 16 lakhs, Lordship.
They have almost paid, no?
Yes, Lordship.
Almost paid. 12 lakh
Amount is there,
59,000.
Lordship, they have not hand over. But because of their Lordship, some altercation took place and he filed this FIR, Lordship. Then, Lordship, what happened? Kindly see, Lordship. Page 20, Lordship. The CGM, the learned CGM, Lordship, granted bail to the accused number 1, who is the husband, Lordship. Here, the learned court below clearly mentioned that on perusal of the case study, it appears that the IO has recorded.
Oh, after his arrest, he was granted
Yes,
bail.
granted bail And here it is mentioned that furthermore, the IO has got sufficient time and opportunity to complete the investigation of the case. Accordingly, the bail was granted, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, page 22, Lordship. As the clerk is in the custody, Lordship, a Zimma petition was filed by the present petitioner, Lordship, and a report was called for. Here is the report, Lordship, police report. With reference to the subject cited, I have the honor to report before you that the petitioner, Baby Sultana Laskar, praying for granting Zimma of the vehicle bearing registration number, which is seized in connection with the reference. I have submitted report. Yes, the vehicle bearing registration number was seized in connection with the above reference case. Yes, the petitioner is the registered owner of the seized vehicle. No, the said vehicle is not required for further investigation. Then, Lordship, the vehicle was Zimma was granted to the petitioner. But, Lordship, because of this FIR, Lordship, petitioner could not appear before the IO, Lordship.
I think it should begin. Okay, get the case diary?
My lord, we'll call for the case diary, my lord.
He will appear.
Because the agreement, my lord, which they have annexed,
I don't-
my lord, there is nothing, my lord.
They
There is
pay,
no-
he is
there is-
paid also.
They paid, my lord.
What is
exactly
the-
what
You're
is the
right.
actual amount is paid, my lord.
Not
That
clear
to
what
be
is the
paid.
dispute.
Let the case diary be called for, my lord.
The petitioner, Lordship, admitted this directly, what amount here, it is admitted. There is no dispute, Lord. In paragraph 3, Lordship, I have admitted.
Hmm.
On 15/6, 2 lakhs, and on Lordship, then by check, Lordship, 12,59,000. It is admitted, sir. And remaining was 1,41,000 is only remaining. In para 3, Lordship, I have.
If this is true, then it is very unfair. I mean,
Yes.
then a transaction, you know. Anyway, so MS Majumdar, 482 bill application. Katigora PS case number 54 of 25 in the section. The gist of the allegation lodged by the petitioner, the informant in the FIR dated 23/7/25 is that an agreement was entered into for sale of the petitioner's truck, for which check was issued in the name of the wife of accused number 1, namely Baby Sultana Laskar, the present petitioner, and another amount was paid via UPI, full stop. But that the truck was not handed over, full stop. The petitioner, the Mr. Majumdar submits that the accused number 1, who is husband of the present petitioner, was arrested and subsequently granted bail by the learned court below. And the Zimma of the vehicle, which was seized by the police, has also been given to the petitioner as the IO stated that vehicle is no longer required for investigation. It is submitted by it is stated and submitted that there was an agreement to sell the petitioner's truck, and some payment was made by the informant side, but due to full payment not being made, the vehicle was not transferred. But the petitioner, the informant maliciously filed a police case. Call for the case diary of so and so. In the meantime, so and so, 15,000 with 1 unit. Cooperative investigation, appear before I. That's all.
18-2, my lord.
You can give it more later.
Later. 23-2.
Item number 10.
Lordship, may I please pass over for time?
Item number 11.
My pleasure, your lordship. This is a pre-arrest bail application, lordship.
Yes.
In this case, lordship, the father and 2 sons and 1 cousin of nephew of the petitioner number 1, lordship. And FIR will find page number 9, lordship. Translated copy, lordship.
The petitioners are family members.
Lordship, and petition number 1 father and 2 and 3 is the son. And four is the nephew of the petition number one, Lordship. And operating person start from page number 10, Lordship.
You want to read it?
Lordship. With due respect, I beg to state that on 25/1/2026 at night about 11 PM, the above named accused person coast of old grass and searched my elder brother at bypass of Katiswara Hospital. But they, while did not find him, for which they went to my elder brother's Mayajuti Hotel, where they searched my brother Rinku Chaudhary located at Bankaresto area. And there they did not found my brother, and thereafter the accused person broken the hotel and assaulted my employee Porimal Tanti and took away the business money amount of rupees 52,000 cash. And after that, they also broken the motorcycle of my brother, and they came to our house and pulling out my brother from the house and started to assaulting him by the accused person, got severely injured and tried to kill him by life. And thereafter, the accused number 1, 2, and 3 assaulted my brother with a dao, for which he got injured while I tried to rescue my brother from the accused person. At that time, the accused number 4 assaulted me, for which I got injured of my left hand. And while the neighboring people heard hue and cry and they arrived on the place of occurrence, then the accused person fled away with a white color Bolero and one petrol auto from the place of occurrence. Due to assault of the accused persons, my brother got severe injury of his head and different parts of body. And after the incident, immediately my brother was admitted, took to Katisara Hospital, and then on duty doctor, considering the health condition of my brother, has referred to the Silchar Medical College. And at present, my brother health condition is critical. Accused person is also assaulted my brother's sister-in-law. And now, my lord, and in the first 2-3 lines, Lordship, only mention is that old grass, Lordship. And the apparently FIR is mentioned about 10 to 12 person is, Lordship, and involved in this alleged Marfit, Lordship. But my present petitioner, Lordship, they strongly denied, Lordship. And in the meantime, Lordship, the investigating officer, Lordship, issued notice to us, Lordship, and that has been received by our family. And so kindly for a moment, Lordship, kindly.
But any medical reports there? No.
And Lordship, kindly, and 35(3) BNSS, Lordship. And may I read the operating person, Lordship, from Medul number 1, Lordship. And Gopidas and 3 person, Lordship, and the notice is served. The contents is similar, Lordship. May I read, Lordship? In the middle person, Lordship. And you are directed to comply with all and following directions. Number 1, you will not commit any offense in future. And this condition is imposed contains in this notice, Lordship. And you will not tamper with the evidences of the case in any manner whatsoever.
Like a bail conditions, right?
So, my lord, and we are ready to comply, Lordship, at any condition, Lordship. And another, Lordship, the petition number 2, Lordship, and his wife is, Lordship, in advanced stage, Lordship, and that is the documents, Lordship. And in the middle portion, Lordship, Prosover Sambhabya Tarik, the EDD, Lordship, expecting date of delivery, Lordship, 13/1/2026, already placed one side, Lordship, on 20 January, Lordship, and petition number 2, Lordship. And he saw so any condition, Lordship, or condition is given, we are ready to.
But it's okay. This can be considered perhaps, but allegations are general. You are for the informant.
Yes, I'm for the informant. My lord, at least as my lord, there are prima facie materials in the FIR, my lord.
Allegations are on the face of it serious, but mostly against 1, 2, and 3. 4, he said he injured.
No, lordship may kindly say, my lord, what are the allegations?
No, I am not expressing any mind about granting or not granting interim, but just
my lord, regarding 4, my lord, I am just reading from the page number 10, my lord. Thereafter, the accused number 1, 2, and 3 assaulted my brother with dao, for which he got injured while I tried to rescue my brother from the accused person. At that time, the accused number 4 assaulted me, for which I got injured of my left hand, while the neighboring people heard hue and cry. They arrived on the place of occurrence. Now, my lord, these are the materials prima facie from the FIR, my lord. Now, my lord, we have also received, my lord, my understand, my lord, he has brought the photographs of the victim, my lord, how he sustained injury, my lord.
From Silchar to Rahman Hospital referred party.
Yes, now, my lord, he is lying in the Silchar Medical College and Hospital, my lord, he has been referred.
Who? Brother.
Victim, my lord. Secondly, my lord.
From Silchar to Rahman Hospital, Guwahati, my lord.
Secondly, my lord, as informed by the IO, my lord.
Head injury.
Since my lord, as informed by the IO, my lord, prayer has been made to add section 109 BNS, my lord. So at this stage, my
Severe
lord,
injuries.
I pray to call for the case diary, let the case diary come, my lord. Along with the medical report, my lord.
By submission, Lordship, and if anything, Lordship.
In
then-
fact, my lord, we have received the medical report, my lord, but
FI
I am not want to, my lord, place it at this moment, my lord, let the case diary come, my lord.
Lordship and about 12%, Lordship, and there is no specific Lordship, and actually the whole step and who attacked by the dowel to the victim, Lordship.
They should leave it from the case diary.
Yes.
We are ready to, Lordship, 35 notice.
Ajay Bora, the learned, and P. Decca Learned Council enters appears for the informant. The allegation in the Azahar dated 26/1/2026 is that the accused persons, especially 1, 2, and 3, assaulted the brother of the informant and caused serious injuries, and that is presently in critical condition. Accused number 4 is also stated to have assaulted the informant. The petitioner counsel submits that a notice has been received under section 35 BNS. It is also submitted that the petitioner number 2, the wife of petitioner number 2 gave birth to a child on 13/1/2026. Full stop. The Mr. Decca Learned Counsel for the informant submits to photographs purportedly of the victim brother, indicating severe bleeding injuries on the head, and that it is submitted that he is admitted in Roman Hospital in Guwahati. Call for the case diary along with medical report at this stage. List the matter on. If it be.
My lord,
cannot
we're
be-
fixing on
won't be
13, my lord.
My lord, one submission.
13,
Hey,
12.
keep this on the record.
13, 12.
I'm sorry to Lordship, but only 2 Lordship can it be Lordship, and 2 Lordship, I'm not
So
patient.
let
for
the
others.
case diary, let the case diary come, my lord.
We should not, we do not know.
13/2/1.
13th, okay?
Time being attempted.
13.
But can you go little earlier, Lordship, interview is not there, Lordship.
11.
All the family members.
11/2.
Obliged, Lordship.
Serious injuries.
One copy of the application.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, here it is, it's an anticipatory application, your lordship. Neither I'm named in the FIR, your lordship, nor I don't have any acquaintance with the informant, your lordship. Because your lordship, there is an agreement between the informant and the other rest of the accused persons. And the prime accused already unlashed on bail, your lordship. That is stated in paragraph 6 of my petition, your lordship.
What
So
is the
that-
allegation?
Allegation is, your lordship, the allegation is that there is an agreement between the informant.
Okay, let us, I'll read it.
Lordship, page 10. It's a complaint case, your lordship.
Complaint, that's a complaint.
Yes, your lordship.
Complaint case sent to police for
Yes, your
investigation.
lordship. And subsequently, your lordship.
This case was registered. Purchased the
Yes,
Bolero.
police case, your lordship.
So the car was financed by the informant has been paying installment. Basically cheating. right?
Basically, sitting in lordship, so my limited prayer before lordship is that. So at the time of the execution of the deed of agreement, neither I put any signature as a witness, nor I have any acquaintance with the informant. But the thing is that, your lordship, I am not denying the fact that I don't have the acquaintance with the accused person. Only because of the fact that the prime accused was already gotten bail, your lordship, unless on bail. He indicated my name, your lordship, that otherwise, your lordship, nothing is there. your
It's
lordship.
not named also.
I am not named also, your lordship. So since the prime accused already unlast on bail. your
Ramzan
lordship,
Ali.
My lord, informant vehicle was given on rent,
Yes,
my lord,
yes,
to the
that's true.
FIR accused person, my lord.
Uh,
Then they, my lord, the FIR accused person, they sold this vehicle to somebody else, my lord. Until then, but since then, my lord, the vehicle is not.
Not
recovered.
recovered. This.
Now, Lordship may kindly come to page number 7, my lord, paragraph 5, my lord. This is the apprehension, my lord. But my humble opinion, this cannot be his apprehension because the police has asked him to cooperate in the investigation, my lord. Lordship may kindly peruse paragraph number 5, my lord.
Ramzan Ali, where is the bail order?
Bail order is at page, your lordship,
Just a minute, I'll come to you.
lordship, bail order. Page 21, your lordship. Page 21.
21.
Lordship.
The bail order.
Lordship, it's granted by, lordship, SDGM, Kaliabar, Nagaon.
Item number 1.
Item number 8 was.
You are submitting.
I'm sorry, my lord.
That means he was unable to pay the EMI and therefore they purchased the vehicle and promised to pay the money.
Yes, your
But
lordship.
they disappeared after that.
Yes, your lordship.
Cheating, basically.
Because it's a matter of your lordship, financial transaction.
Not
So
really. Not really. This might have element of criminal liability also. You know.
That's the correct, your lordship.
Lot of fraudulent
but-
activities are taking place nowadays in society.
But-
Anyway,
but your-
this person is not named. This.
Yes, your lordship.
You're correct.
But my name is, my implication has to be ascertained, your lordship, because
Yes.
of, that is not ascertained, your
Mm.
lordship. Only, I am not, neither I am named in the affair, nor your lordship, I don't have any, had I been put any signature in the, at the time of execution of the agreement, that would have been a different matter, that inference could be drawn, your lordship, at least.
No, Session Judge has rejected his prayer, my lord.
Yes.
Yes,
And
my
what-
lord. Lordship may
and-
kindly
and
see
noticing
after perusal of the
that,
case diary, my lord.
there's sufficient incriminating
Yes,
materials
my lord.
against him.
So then the case diary be called for, my lord.
Apart from there's no connection of the Land Council. Okay, close to the local person. Because these things we need, yeah, it's time has come to see this, some of these things strictly, because a lot of fraudulent activities nowadays. Anyway, the court has said that's true. In view of the incriminating materials collected by. What do you say?
My humble submission, my lord, since the lower court has rejected his bail application, my lord, considering the materials in the case diary, my lord. So let the case diary be called for.
Normally, your lordship, pre-arrest bail application being rejected by the lower court, your lordship.
No, they,
It is
SDJ,
not normally, my lord.
no, SDJ, huh?
No, he said he normally lower court has rejected, but why lower court would normally rejected, but after perusal of the case diary, my lord.
Oxo court, no.
Since the charge of allegation is, charge of cheating is there and therefore, your lordship.
Also, this was additional session judge, no, anyway, so we'll see, but get the case diary, okay, let him record his statement, but get the case diary without delay, Mr. Barua.
My lord.
Mr. Diwan and RJ Barua, Rupohiyat PS case number 266 of 25. The allegations were in the form of a complaint before the learned SDJM Koliaberg, which after being sent to the police was registered into the aforesaid case. 4 accused persons are named in the complaint, which does not include the present petitioner, full stop, seeking bail herein. The gist of the allegations is that the informant had purchased the Bolero pickup on finance, but he was facing difficulties in paying EMI. Also, subsequently, the accused persons named in the FIR approached him to purchase, and they entered into an agreement whereafter they were supposed to pay some money, pay part of the amount in Nagaon court. Full stop. A cash amount of 1.5 lakhs was also paid to the informant. So subsequently, however, they when the informant sought for the remaining money, the petitioners refused and later threatened him.
Lordship, I beg your, may I leave you, lordship, my.
Yes, no problem. Refused and later threatened him. So, Mr. Diwan, Learned Counsel submits that accused number 1, the FIR has been granted bail by the learned court below. However, I also find in the said order that incriminating materials were noticed with regard to the present petition. Nevertheless, call for the case diary of Upohia so and so. However, in the interim, in the event of his arrest, 30,000 advance security. Corporate investigation number 2. He shall appear before the IO for examination. Number 3. He shall not in any manner intimidate, harass or harm the informant. So, number 4, he shall also endeavor to engage with the informant and settle the civil dimension of the dispute.
24-2, my lord.
24-2, list on 24-2.
May I please, your lord?
এইটো ক'ত আছে?
So in this case,
Yes,
the petitioner had
Doctor.
purchased a vehicle, my lord, from one, my lord, Rupjyoti Das, my lord, who, my lord, introduced himself as a, my lord, cluster, my lord, head of the HSBC bank, my lord. Now, what had happened, my lord, in fact, there is an FIR against him with regard to another case, my lord, that is, lordship will find at page 19. What had happened, my lady had lodged an FIR, my lord, saying that, my lord, he had sold her his vehicle, her vehicle, my lord, illegally. And my lord, he has been arrested in the meanwhile. Now the petitioner, my lord, purchased a vehicle from the same person, my lord, another vehicle, not this one, my lord. My lord, in that case, the vehicle was a my lord, Bolero, my lord, where the petitioner had purchased, my lord, paragraph 4, my lord, a Hyundai vehicle. Then, my lord, that could not be transferred to him. Then this person, Rupjyoti Das, gave him a Scorpio vehicle. Now the owner of the Scorpio, my lord, reached the house of the petitioner, my lord, and saying that this is his vehicle and has taken back the vehicle. The police has, my lord, asked the petitioner to be present before the time, my lord. That's why he's before lordship, my lord. He's otherwise not named in the FIR, my lord. Then the case is also not related to him. But, my lord, he has been asked to appear, my lord. He'll cooperate with all investigation, my lord. There's some protection, my lord. That's why he's before lordship, my lord. He's a victim, in fact, my lord. This vehicle was given to him. Paragraph 4, my lord, I have got.
Just a minute, let me see the FIR once.
Yes, FIR is the page 19.
6, I entered an agreement with the partners of HA Traders, Dipens Sharma and Rupjyoti Das. The present petitioner is
Present petitioner.
Zakir Hussain Chaudhary.
Yes, my lord. He has been given another vehicle, my lord, by this Rupjyoti Das, my lord, introducing himself as, my lord, the HSBC cluster, my lord, head, my lord. The other persons are duped in the similar manner. I am a victim. I purchased the vehicle, my lord, and I've been called by the police now. My
Partners
lord.
of-
I was given a Scorpio vehicle, my lord. Paragraph 4, I have referred. My lord. Initially, I had purchased one Hyundai vehicle, but they, my lord, he could not give the papers.
The police is suspecting that he is involved in the.
Yes, involved in the my lord, LS racket, my lord. Because, my lord, the informant vehicle was, my lord, given on rent to the, my lord, FIR accused person, my lord. They illegally, my lord, sold to somebody else, my lord. That is why vehicle is not traceable, my lord, since then.
This person, to my knowledge, information is arrested, my lord, or behind the bars, my lord. This Rupjyoti Das, my lord. I had only purchased another vehicle from
These
him.
two are behind bars.
At
One
that
is,
time,
one is behind bars.
One is behind, Rupjyoti Das, my lord. I had also purchased this vehicle from, my lord, this person, my lord.
Yes.
That's my only involvement, my lord, without, my lord,
Yes.
verifying the, my lord.
M. Dr. Learned Counsel, RJ Boro. Hattigaon PS case number 226, 2 of 26, 482 BNSS. The case arose out of an FIR dated, what is the date? 1/1/2026.
Yes, my lord.
With the allegation that the informant is the owner of the Mahindra Bolero vehicle, AS01GH7707. And he entered into an agreement with one HA Traders, represented by Dipens Sharma and Rupjyoti Das, stated to be from HSBC, regarding hire vehicle. It is stated that initially he was being given the rent, and secondly, subsequently, it stopped. And later he came to know that the vehicle went missing and was sold to other parties by the said Rupjyoti Das. Full stop. The present petitioner is not named in the FIR. And it is submitted by Mr. Dr. Learned Counsel that he had also purchased one vehicle from the said Rupjyoti Das. And is also agreed by their fraudulent activities. The said the defense firm is in custody, right?
Rupjyoti Das.
Rupjyoti Das is stated to have been arrested in this case. Call for the case diary from the Constable Police Station. Vehicle is missing, no?
No, vehicle has been taken back by the original owner, who came to my house, one Armstrong Nursery.
Oh, acha, acha.
He came to me and said that this is my vehicle, so I gave him the vehicle. The Scorpio, there is Armstrong Nursery, that I
For the
mentioned.
Case diary, and however, in the interim, 25,000 at once. Appear before the cooperative investigation.
Deep level, Ajay.
16-2, my lord.
16-2.
16, deep level.
66. Fifty-six.
It is your lordship. It's an anticipatory bail application.
Yes.
One of the cases of my lord, absolute police harassment, my lord. First, your lordship will kindly come to page 14, my lord.
FIR?
FIR, my lord. This is the case in which the petitioner is seeking anticipatory bail, my lord. May I read the FIR, my lord? Sir, with due respect, I beg to state that yesterday, dated 1/12/2025, at night, at around 2:30 AM, a gang of 14-15 dacoits attacked two on-duty security guards, namely so-and-so, with sharp weapons working in the company's depot within the premises of railway stations, and then looted 6 bundles of valuable electric copper wire, which were lying in the premises of Indian Railways, Gwalpara. The looted bundles of wire provided by Indian Railways and were being installed by the company at railway tracks. And the 2 night security guards who were attacked by the gang of dacoits, one of them, namely Ratneshwar Rava, is under serious condition and is admitted into a private hospital. So this is the allegation regarding robbery. Now your lordship will kindly come to page 25, my lord.
Yes.
Relevant portion your lordship will find at page 26. Here your lordship will find Mosumi Momin. Mosumi Momin is the wife of the petitioner, my lord. And this is an FIR lodged by Mosumi Momin, my lord, in 2022 against police officials. May I read this FIR, my lord? Because this is relevant to this case, my lord. Respected sir, with due respect, I would like to inform you that yesterday on 4/7/2022, some police personnel of Dudhnoi Police Station, Gwalpara, called me and my husband, namely so-and-so, this is the petitioner, my lord. At around 2 PM, I, along with my husband, arrived at Dudhnoi Police Station and asked them as to why we were called for. Then the police of Dudhnoi Police Station intimated us that on so-and-so date, a person named so-and-so lodged an FIR alleging the fact that on such and such date, he had paid an amount of ₹95,000 along with 29.3 ton of coal to my husband with a direction to deliver the said amount and coal at so-and-so place, but my husband has not given him the money on coal. On our arrival at Dudhnoi Police Station, police called the said informant in the police station. After that, said Dhruvananda Chaudhary and staff present at the police station started threatening us by using various means. They also used various slang languages towards us. The police personnel and Dhruvananda Chaudhary forced us to pay an amount of ₹20 lakhs only on the spot at the police station. We stated them that it was not possible for us to pay the huge amount at a time. And I also stated that I have only ₹50,000 only in my purse and I can give the amount to them if required. The said Dhruvananda Chaudhary and some policemen had brutally assaulted us with lathi, hands, legs, etc. They have also forcefully taken our signature on some non-judicial stamp paper and white blank papers, and they have also snatched the money of ₹50,000 from my purse. After some time, they have allowed my husband to go to manage the amount of ₹20 lakhs and kept me inside the police station. At around 3 PM, when my husband has not returned to the police station, said Dhruvananda Chaudhary, a woman police constable named Mamta Joshi, and some policemen, name not known, brutally assaulted all over my body with lathi, cable wires, hands and legs, and they also molested me and outraged my modesty. As a result of their assault, I got grievous injuries on my legs, hands, and all over the body. They even switched off my mobile phone.
Soon after the incident, somehow I called my relatives and intimated the fact to them. Then some policemen took me to Dudhnoy hospital, and the policemen didn't allow me to enter in the hospital. They entered in the hospital with some papers and took signatures of the doctor who were present at that time in duty. After that, they have allowed me to come to my house. SI Vishnu Newar, some other policemen and Dhruvananda Chaudhary unlawfully detained me in Dudhnoy police station without any reason, and they brutally assaulted me and caused grievous injuries all over my body. They also molested me and outraged my modesty in the police station and snatched an amount of rupees 50,000 from my purse. As they have forcefully obtained our signature in some non-judicial stamp papers and white blank papers, there is sufficient reason to believe they can use this paper for some illegal act for wrongful gain, and they may convert these papers into valuable instruments. So this is an FIR lodged by the petitioner's wife. Now, in this case, your lordship,
Case was registered.
case was registered and charge sheet has been submitted. The charge sheet, your lordship will find at page 42. Charge sheet submitted under sections, madam. 294, 384 extortion, 325 causing hurt.
Who investigated the case? From Golpara PS only.
My lord.
Okay.
So in that case, sorry, ma'am, that would be Dudhnoy PS, but under Gwalpara.
But it was, charge sheet was filed against police officers.
Police officers, page 43, SI Vishnu Newar, page 44, the WPC Namata Joshi. Now your lordship will kindly come to page 50. Vishnu Bahadur Newar and Mamta Joshi, both of them appear, my lord. Your lordship will come to the next page, para 8. Offences under so and so section, my lord, they have been explained and the case is fixed for evidence. And now, next page, page 52, your lordship will find the case is fixed on 6th of February. So 4 days from today, my lord, this case is fixed, and this petitioner and his wife, they have been summoned to give evidence against these police officers who are working under the in the Gwalpara district. And after these persons received notice, my lord, thereafter suddenly in this case where there was some allegation which, as per our instruction, might be true, my lord, but this petitioner is not connected with this. Only reason the petitioner is being implicated is to prevent the petitioner and his wife to go and adduce evidence on this day, my lord. And there is every possibility that on that day, if they go to the court premises, my lord, to adduce evidence, they may get arrested. Because your lordship will see the timing is very suspicious. Just on the eve of their date, when they are about to go and adduce evidence, then all of a sudden the petitioner gets implicated in this case. And these allegations which the petitioner brought in already charge sheeted, trial has also commenced. So it cannot be outright said that this is some trumped up or made up concocted allegation on the part of the petitioner.
My lord, although my lord, although in the my lord, FIR dated, my lord, this is FIR dated 3/12/2025, my lord. It was whenever there is no direct allegation against this, my lord, parcel, my lord, because there are allegations of some theft and, my lord, assault, my lord, and docaity, my lord. Now, one Lordship may kindly come, my lord, to page number 23, my lord. Page number 23, this is the rejection order of this petitioner, my lord. Or white order dated 5/1/2000, it cannot be 25, my lord, it has to be 26, my lord.
Wrong, my lord.
My lord, I am not reading the everything, my lord. My lord,
So,
last paragraph, my lord.
I've seen.
Page number 23, annexure 4, last paragraph, my lord. Case record reveals sufficient incriminating materials against the present accused, and investigation of the case is in progress, and custodial interrogation may be necessary for further investigation of the case. Case diary further reveals there are several co-accused persons involved in commission of the LS offense, LS crime. Considering all these aspects, also considering the gravity of the offense, at this stage, I am not inclined to grant the privilege of pre-arrest bail in favor of the accused. Accordingly, same is rejected. But regarding, my lord, torturing my lord, the accused person and his wife, my lord, that is, my lord, in respect of another case.
Another case.
Another case that has been charged, my lord, so I have nothing to submit in this.
And that is fixed for, yes, the
But
linkage.
as far as this case is concerned, my lord, so let the case diary be called for, my lord, we'll examine the case diary, my lord.
A small submission, my lord. The very fact that we have brought in allegations against police personnel, my lord. So this comes as no surprise, my lord.
No,
that
they
there
should
will be-
appear and with some protection.
Right.
Yes. So I think that would be, because we don't know, it may be a coincidence, it may not be also. That will be wise. Yes, Nawaz Land Council, DP, RJ Bora. invoking 482, Gwalpara PS case 221 of 23. The allegation, the FIR dated 2/12/25, lodged by one Chumru Alda, with the allegation of dacoity in their establishment, whereby copper wires were looted and security guards were attacked, with one of them, Ratneshwar Rava, being admitted in hospital in serious condition. No persons are named in the FIR. Mr. Nawaz Learned Counsel has taken the court to an FIR dated 5/7/2022, which was submitted by the wife of the petitioner to the Superintendent of Police, Gwalpara. The gist of the allegations in the elaborate complaint is unlawful detention in the police station of our husband and herself, from semicolon, being subjected to custodial violence, and also semicolon, snatching away of money, semicolon, forcing the husband to arrange for some money which he was purportedly supposed to return to one person, semicolon, forcefully taking their signature on blank stamp papers, full stop. The complaint was marked to several high authorities like Prime Minister, Home Minister, Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya, and the Director DGP Assam, full stop. Full stop. The case, it is submitted that the case was charged sheeted and followed by offense explanation, and is posted for evidence on 6/2/2026. It is submitted that the petitioner and his wife have to adduce evidence on that date in that case, and to intimate them, the husband of the petitioner has been falsely implicated. The learned additional PP seeks only the case diary at this stage, drawing attention to the order of the learned court below, rejecting the bail of the present petitioner, observing that there are incriminating materials in the case diary. Nevertheless, call for the case diary of Gwalpara PS case 221 of 25. However, in the circumstances, I deem it appropriate to grant some interim protection. Accordingly, the interim 20,000 with one security to the satisfaction of the concerned arresting authority, is subject to the condition that they can appear now. No. Cooperate with the investigation of this case. Shall appear before the make themselves available for examination. Shall not hamper or temper diligence. However, it is made clear that by way of examination of the petitioner or his family member, they shall not be subjected to any harassment.
The interim, my lord, protection till next date, my lord.
Till the next date of
23/2, my lord.
I'm deeply obliged, madam.
They having DA 17.
May please your lordship. Here, lordship, and copies were called for lordship. The petitioner is on interim bail and presently he is out, lordship. He was arrested on 6/10/2025, lordship.
Diary has come.
Can copy, scan copy. Very small FIR, lordship, page number 15.
Trial is not started.
Statement should be allocated.
Trial is not started, right?
No, lord. Charges framed. Charges were framed on lordship 6/12/2025. Victim
What is your instruction? It's a case of elopement or something
Yes,
else.
Lordship. Clear case of elopement. Lordship may kindly come to the statement of the victim, Lordship. Page number 38.
And in her deposition also, she has stated.
It is in the scan copy also. It is in your bail petition also?
Yes, Lordship.
20?
28. Page number 28.
17 years. Original is in Bengali, right?
Yes, Lordship. That is at page number.
No,
20.
flip through that also. So make puri capture kore. See, refer to him as his husband. Anyway, so this can be allowed. I got to, I got to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. The petitioner was granted interim bail on 9/1/2026. Scan TCR, scan case record has been received. Full stop. Peruse the statement of the alleged victim girl recorded during investigation. It stated on similar lines as mentioned above. And she has also stated that she voluntarily went with the petitioner. However, the girl is a minor as per her statement, as per her statement, indicating her age to be 17 years. Nevertheless, there's no reason not to confirm the interim bail, and accordingly, the interim bail is hereby made absolute, subject to the condition that he shall be available for trial. Number 2, he shall not hamper or temporary evidence or cause any harm or annoyance to the victim, to the girl. Bail petition stands allowed in this post.
Highly approved.
19.
My pleasure, Lordship. It's a case of abatement of suicide. My lord will please to find a FIR at page 10.
Darius come, huh?
Has come up, PM report is not available in the case there.
Oh, PM report might be necessary. Anyway, let us proceed.
My lord, it's a case of abatement.
She consumed something, it seems, perhaps.
Yes, no, it was anesthesia. She injected. She's a nurse, my lord.
Overdose.
She was a nurse.
Overdose.
Yes.
She injected herself with overdose.
Injected
perhaps.
herself.
She knew these things.
Yes.
Domestic conflict.
And my lord, no, it's not a domestic conflict, my lord. They got married through a court marriage at a very tender age, at the age of 20 years. This girl never resided or cohabited with the petitioner, my lord. Because of the family pressure, the girl of their marriage, of their social marriage, they couldn't solemnize their social marriage because of the family pressure from the girl. So
They were opposed to the relationship.
yes, she committed suicide in her
Yes.
residence itself. So where is the ingredients of abatement, my lord?
Can we see that aspects? They were. Can we see that aspects?
She always used to beg before this petitioner lordship to marry her socially,
Socially.
lordship.
So that
their relationship could
his
be-
instruction is that it is opposed from her family also.
Yes, and so that the relationship.
Her family
could be
also opposed.
Yes.
Her family also was.
So because the recognition was not there in a relationship.
But they had a court marriage or something, no?
Yes, they had a court, they registered a court marriage. Both were at the very tender age, at the age of 20 years, in the year 2016.
It is a very unwise thing to do.
Yes.
What I've seen from my.
Keeping secrecy with their family.
That's a very unwise thing to do. Anyway, but young people
As
Don't
per his
understand.
statement, as per
But-
the
but-
statement of the petitioner,
But there is,
you are-
a case cannot be made out for abatement in this case.
as per his statement, I never wanted to marry her socially and always told her to keep the relationship secret. Due to which she threatened me saying that she will commit suicide and end up her
My
life.
secret, they had entered into a court marriage.
But recognition was part was not there, but opposition, their family members are opposing that their marital status.
Can I have a look at the?
Yes, Lordship.
Case diary? Would you need the postmortem report? How she, probably she died of this only, overdose of
Only
anesthesia.
I have gone through an in-case report, injury mark was not the injected portion of the other.
Hmm.
My humble submission, postmortem may not be required.
That's okay.
Isn't it, yeah?
This is the registration.
It's 30 days,
This
almost.
is a valid marriage on the face of it. They were
Yes.
validly married.
It was valid.
Once you have the certificate, you're married. But they don't, people, many
And he has
people
already
don't
language,
understand.
he has already language for 30 days, my lord.
He was depressed because of, no, there are materials regarding opposition from her own family also,
Yes, sir.
own family also.
The end of a life by committing suicide is not a solution.
Oh, that's a, can be a bigger tragedy. He said that he is an ASU, so he cannot get married.
They're hiding their marriage.
So give up ASU, whatever. Anyway, so these are sad things. Her parents were, they were also opposed.
Because they were secretly done their marriage, that's why not openly speak up to anybody.
Okay, parents knew about it.
Not known by their parents,
Her parents
our parents.
did not know.
They are, but later on, they are got the information from somewhere. They got married.
No, you said that there's materials to indicate that there's opposition from her parental family also.
Later on, but firstly, they were not aware of the fact also. And later on, they were got the information from other persons.
Let us see. Let's see what can be done. EM Decca, Learned Council, and DP Goswami. Very bad tragedy is this itself. Invoking 483 BNS. The petitioner is seeking regular bail in connection with Soigao PS case number 2/2026 under section 108. Next up. FIR dated 2/1/26 was logged by the mother of the deceased with the allegation that on 1/1/26, while she was sleeping, he went to call her but found her unconscious and was immediately taken to hospital, but she was declared dead. It is alleged that her daughter had married the petitioner on 24/5/2016 through a court marriage. And thereafter she was subjected to torture by her husband. And as a result of which she suffered mental trauma leading to her death. The case diary has been received. The Learned Council submits that the petitioner and the deceased were in a relationship and had solemnized a court marriage, but there was opposition from the family of the petitioner, from the family of the deceased as well, due to which the marriage could not be solemnized, leading to depression on the part of the victim. Full stop. The Mr. Goswami learned additional PP submits on the basis of investigation that PM report is not available. But investigation has found empty syringes, etc. from the place of occurrence. The deceased was stated to be a nurse. Full stop. It is also submitted that she was requesting the petitioner to marry her, socially marry her, but the same was not being done. There are also materials it is submitted that the relationship did not meet with approval from the victim's own family as well. Stop. To make out an offense of abatement of suicide, full stop, there has to be materials and evidence to indicate the role of the accused in abating the suicide of the victim by way of instigation, aid, or conspiracy within the meaning of the definition of abatement in the penal code. The petitioner was arrested on 3/1/2026.
Yes.
The given facts and circumstances. I deem it proper to grant bail to the accused at this stage, subject to suitable conditions. Accordingly, 30,000 with one security, subject to the condition. Well, cooperate with remaining investigation, not hamper or tamper. Number 3, shall not any manner harm, intimidate, or harass the informant and their family members. Return back the case, the bail petition stands disposed of.
Highly obliged, madam.
People don't realize life is much bigger than any relationship.
Yes, madam.
Life belongs to others also, not just to you. At
Yes.
least to your mother it belongs.
Definitely, my lord. This secret marriage is
There are lots of
causing
suicides nowadays.
Yes.
Very unfortunate.
very unfortunate. Much obliged, my lord.
57.
Second.
Yes, submitted. Charge sheet submitted.
Accident case. No?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship was pleased to allow us interim bail on 9th of January
Mr. Bharali?
2026. Yes, Lordship.
Assignment 1, 2, 3. What have you? The petitioner was granted interim bail on 9/1/2026. Mr. Goswami learned additional submits that in the meantime, investigation is completed, resulting in a charge sheet. In view of the same, the interim bail is hereby made absolute, subject to the condition that the petitioner shall be available for trial, if one commences, and he shall not hamper or tamper with evidence.
White CS number Lordship 107/25
Allowed in
dated 24/12/25.
Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Hearing 20.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship,
20 also charge sheet submitted.
Yes, tell me.
for time being,
Do you like to do? It's okay, no problem. But if you want to do, we can. What is the matter? Just hold on. No? I'll just see.
1030.
Interim is there.
Yes, Lordship.
Just a minute. There were no allegations against them. in the FIR as mentioned in the order dated passed by my brother. But have they been charge sheeted?
That information was not, only the communication received that the case is already charge sheeted.
Acha, so probably. Mhm. Their parents of the main accused. I think we can make it absolute. Okay, I'll record your name and allow it. Okay, your good name, please.
Arkha.
Huh?
Arkha.
R.
Ha.
Kha. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also, 2910 ordered. Also. The parents of the main accused. The petitioners were granted interim bail on 29/10/2025. Mr. Goswami learned additional PP submits that in the meantime, upon completion of investigation, charge sheet has been submitted. Full stop. In view of completion of investigation and also in view of the completion of investigation, the petitioners who are stated to be the parents of the main accused. The interim bail granted to the petitioners who are stated to be is hereby made absolute, subject to the conditions that we don't know whether charge sheet is submitted against them.
Against them, but
We do
we
not
have
know.
nothing.
Full stop. They shall cooperate with the trial, comma, if the one commences against them. If they have been sent up for trial, and if one commences against them, number two, they shall cooperate with the process of law and shall not hamper or tamper tribunals. Bail petition stands allowed and disposed of.
'21, '22, '23, '24.
Simple. Word on. Yes. Yes. Sir.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. We have filed the pre-arrest bail petitions. They
Okay.
have been enlarged on bail. They have never been named in the charge sheet, Lordship. Though our name have been figured in the FIR. But after completion of investigation, I have submitted charge sheet against 9 persons only.
I
So
see.
in the FIR, there were 24 persons.
Okay.
So on that basis, Lordship has been pleased to grant us interim bail, Lordship. Thereafter, from the informant side, an objection was filed.
Acha.
And we have filed our reply on the last date, Lordship. So their basic allegation in the objection was that after granting of bail, we have violated the conditions. But we have totally denied, Lordship, those parts. Even the other FIR named accused who have not been charged as have been granted bail by the learned trial court, Lordship, made absolute interim bail, pre-arrest bail, Lordship. Even the arrested accused persons, out of 9 arrested in this case, Lordship, against whom charge sheet is Honorable Guwahati High Court is pleased to grant bail to 8 out of 9, Lordship. Regular bail has been granted to them also.
I'll just refresh myself with the last order.
Report to the written complaint is again.
Complaint against the report.
So this, I'm taking up this first, item 21, right? Jiarul Haq, he is not sent up for trial.
Not, Lordship.
Not sent up
All
for.
these 4, Lordship, same, they are.
Not sent up for
granted
trial.
only.
What to do? You want to submit something?
I'm for the informant, Lordship.
Mhm.
And a report was called from the IO, Lordship. And in the meantime, after granting bail, detailing was coming from the side of the petitioner. So when we find objection and the report was called from the IO, Lordship.
Report is received, Lordship. The report is, as per our report, Lordship.
I have the honor to report that no any written or oral complaint has been made so far from the any persons or any side alleging that the accused persons have violated the rules and conditions laid down by the honorable court till date in respect of the accused person, Ziarul Haq and Ilyasuddin, and number 3, Rafiqul Islam
Sorry.
and Faizul.
But since they have not been sent up, further investigation is going on.
Yes.
That we don't know. That will be speculation whether they will be implicated or not. So at this stage, maybe it may be justified to allow.
Lordship, in the first search sheet, their name is not there.
Not there.
It is not the absolute right that they are innocent, Lordship, unless and until Lordship the FR is.
Well,
Almost 3 months,
really,
almost 3 months have been over.
I mean, as I said, the subsequent investigation is always a right in every case, as we know.
Lordship.
173(8), it's always there, earlier CFPC, but whether they will be implicated or not, that is, we do not know. That will be a matter of speculation. They may be, they may not be. Secondly, as far as the fact that they are not sent up in the first main charge sheet, that is undoubtedly a factor in their favor. This cannot be denied. So, and even if it is made absolute and something, happens and you are threatened or something, you can always go before the
Lordship, then
court.
obligation may be given, Lord.
Then yes, that is always there. Always there. Anyway, one by one, I'll dispose it off. Okay, anything else?
All the same, Lordship, same.
I'll just first. First paragraph, 2511, no? First paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, fourth paragraph. 1 to 5. 1 to 5. 1 to 5, 7. And 7 also. The petitioner was granted interim bail on 25/11/2025. Full stop. The scan
PCR received, Lordship.
scan PCR has been received. Full stop. It is trial is not no, they have not sent up also. Full stop. There was an allegation from the side of you have filed an objection. Objection in this. The informant side had filed an objection regarding violation of bail conditions, which however is denied by the petitioner side of the petitioners. Full stop. However, and a report was called for from the concerned IO. Full stop. In this context, the learned additional PP, Mr. Goswami, has placed report dated 2/2/2026. Stating that no written or oral complaint has been received so far regarding violation of bail conditions by accused persons Ziarul Haq, Ilyasuddin, and Rafiqul Islam, and Faizul Haq. It's maybe common. Stop. In the entire facts and circumstances, considering facts and circumstances, mainly considering that in the first 10 main charge sheet, the petitioners have not been sent up for trial. There is no reason why the interim bail should not be made absolute. Stop. Accordingly, the interim bail is hereby made absolute, subject to the condition that they shall cooperate. They shall cooperate with the process of law. They shall cooperate with any further investigation. They shall not violate any bail conditions imposed earlier. The bail petition stands allowed and disposed of on the aforesaid terms. And each case is different, right? Or same?
Same, all the same. Same FIR, same.
Faizul Haq, Faizul Haq. Also same. There also, none of them are sent up for trial.
None of them are sent up.
Same.
All 4 are same on the same.
All 4 are same. Okay. I have incorporated that as a condition.
Lots of like.
Short break.
We have not received the case diary. It's not an injury.
Acha.
Amina Khatun no Petition to be.
GRPS case, Golpara GRPS case,
My lord, no, my lord.
Golpara,
Golgotha PS, my lord.
Golpara, RPS. I thought.
So, my lord, here what happened? Actually, my lord, father name of the petitioner and the informant,
Mm.
my grandfather of the informant, my lord, and the petitioner before your lordship is same. And the allegation is this, my lord. The land standing in the name of father of the informant mutated in the name of the petitioner
Mm.
fraudulently. Background is this, my lord, it is ancestral property.
Mhm.
So they were in the land of my father.
Mhm.
And I with my husband was in the land of their father.
Mhm.
That Gofur Ali. Your lordship would be pleased to see the Jamabundi at page 15. Page 15, ma'am. In vernacular,
So any civil suit file?
Abdul Gofur, my lord. Abdul Gofur. Abdul Gofur Mondal, he is son of Ainuddin.
Mhm.
And my father, grandfather is also Ainuddin, my lord. So
Name
land
is same.
Same land,
Same name.
same stock, my lord.
Same name, different persons.
My lord, not same name, my lord. Property in question
This is
is of the same stock, my lord.
stock.
That is from the grandfather.
I see.
One is for Abdul Gofur, another is for
Acha.
my father, my lord. My father, Abdul Haq. So, my lord, Abdul Haq and Abdul Gofur are son of Ainuddin Mondal.
Mhm.
So, my lord, to prove that, my lord, I have got voter list. I just put it-
Anyway, so diary has not
Now
come.
your lordship,
Acha.
now your lordship, what
Diary
have-
has not come, sir. Diary has not come, so
Diary-
you can extend the interim and extend the
Interim
interim.
is there, my lord.
Yes,
definitely.
yes. We'll hear the diary when it
My lord.
comes, we'll hear it.
Definitely.
The petitioner was granted interim bail on 5/1/2026. The entry and full stop. The case diary as called for is not yet received. Issue reminder for the same. Full stop. Mr. Sheikh, Learned Counsel submits that the matter has arisen out of basically property dispute. Dispute in the nature of property dispute of ancestral property. Something like that.
My lord. 17-2.
Issue fresh requisition for the case diary. Interim bail stands extended till the next date of listing. 17-2.
Oblige, your lordship.
26, 27.
I mean, item number 26. It is a search-sheeted case and it is at the committal stage. At that stage, we approach this honorable court praying for pre-arrest bail because otherwise we cannot appear before the committal magistrate. And in terms of the
Yes,
interim
please
order
give it.
already passed, I have already appeared before the committal magistrate on 22nd of January 2026. And my bail bond has already been accepted.
Yes.
Can PCR receive, lordship? It's a case of 2015. Charge sheeted on 2022, 29/1/22, lordship.
Scan TCR.
A driver was brutally killed by this petitioner's lordship.
Mhm.
A driver was brutally killed by this petitioner's lordship.
Oh.
Sufficient materials are there against them, lordship.
Acha.
One person was granting bail on 19/12/2005 by your lordship.
Acha.
So yes, bail bond was submitted on 26/12/25.
I have also submitted bail bond and that has আপনি 22 তারিখে দিয়ে গেছিলে জলিন্টু বিল লিলিত তুমি দুইটা পেছ নেকি বল এটা সোনোয়ার
সোনোয়ার নাই পাইছো বেল জলিন্টু নাই
If you have to see on merits, that will take some time.
Yes, sir,
The original records come.
original records.
Original records come. No, I don't think so. Our topic looks like original.
original record probably because
Oh, original record has come. It's not necessarily original record. The case is at the stage of committal, that is.
lordship, that is why because it is such that we are ready to cooperate with the trial.
At this stage, only concern is the witnesses. So conditions have to be imposed.
Yes, Lordship, that condition may be imposed.
Witnesses, safety of witnesses, 1, 2, 19/9/1/2026, 1, 2, 3, 4. The petitioners were granted, the petitioner was granted interim bail on 9/1/2026 with conditions. Full stop. It is submitted that pursuant thereof, they have appeared before the learned committal magistrate and submitted bail bonds which were accepted. Full stop. The case is, it has not yet been committed as per your instruction.
No,
The case is pending for committal and commencement of trial. If any. Full stop. In view of the stage of the case, I'm of the considered view that subject to suitable conditions to address integrity of evidence, the bail petition can be allowed. Full stop. In such view of the matter, the interim bail is hereby made absolute, subject to the condition that the petitioner shall be available for the trial. Number 2, shall not hamper or tamper with evidence, shall not intimidate, harass or harm or try to influence the informant and family members. Number 3, shall not try to influence or harm or intimidate or harm any witnesses. Violation of the bail conditions would make the bail liable to be cancelled. It appears that the original case record has been received. The same may be returned back to the learned court bill.
That's okay.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Disposed of. Just you're for the second one.
Lordship,
You're for the
my
second.
bail was granted on 19/12/2025 and I have appeared before a learned trial court on 26/12/2025.
Same or what similar submissions in P. Bora, learned counsel.
Only date of-
Same order.
Same order, date is different.
Date is different. It was 9/1.
Interim order is 19/12.
19.
Order, the original record, the case diary is also received along original case diary.
Case diary.
Everything has been sent.
Gotcha.
Actually, sometimes they don't have time, but it is, please, transit of original record should be avoided. a little bit.
Cases were in deplorable condition. That's why they have sent the.
Yes, perhaps, but transit is but nearby. Okay, so send it back. The original case record as well as the case diary is sent back. Once original, yes. Return back. No, but they have written scan copy.
Public.
Right. Next.
Twenty-nine.
29 of petition. Petitioner is an interim, but IO made a prayer for fixing another date to produce case
Another
diary.
date. Case diary is not yet not received today. Full stop. Issue remind and IO seeks another date, comma, which is allowed. The case diary may be sent on the next date. Interim bail stands extended to the next date of list on.
17 to 26.
30. May I please, Your Lordship?
Interim is there.
30 lordship, as on to the state, is an interim lordship, but statements and where he has appeared or not, that is not reflected. by the
Diary has
case
come?
diary. Diary has come, lordship.
Also, he was appeared before his police station, but I was transferred to Bhangar police station. That's why that statement was not recorded by the recent.
He appeared, but it was not recorded.
So let the updated city maybe come from with his statement. lordship.
Today. The diary is received, but the statement of the petitioner after grant of interim is not available. Full stop. The Mr. Your good name?
A. Ali.
A. Ali, Mr. Counsel, A. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner had appeared for the IO, but in the meantime, the IO was transferred, due to which his statement could not be recorded. So in the meantime, you can appear and get it recorded. Full stop. The interim bail stands extended till the next day. The case diary may be returned and procured again with the updated investigation, including the statement of the petition.
19 to 26. 19.
Give it in last week, perhaps.
Lordship.
If there is nothing.
26 to then.
26?
2.
Pass of
May I plead your lordship? First, CD not received lordship. This is second bail application.
CD received.
Did you receive? Yeah. Okay, then my senior will appear lordship.
Okay, okay. Very wish.
Unless lordship.
After some time.
Okay.
32.
May I please, Lord? My lord, in this case, second application, my lord.
Okay.
And last occasion, my lord, short date was given for him. Did he receive to dispose of the matter, my lord? And the second bail application, my lord.
There are two, we call for case diary, two case diaries, no?
What the case there?
Cross cases.
Cross case also?
But not received the both the case, there are only one. Patrakandi 229 of 25.
Yes, same similar situation, my lord. Earlier also this
The present case.
present case, 229. And earlier, my lord, reject order also was not perused. This 230, my lord. Very essential and medical, my lord. So far, case is concerned, my lord, here second bail application, my lord, on the basis of medical ground, my lord. On that ground, my lord, maybe released on
Medical ground.
medical, page 31, X-ray, my lord. It was happened on 4/10/2025, prior to alleged incident. Alleged incident occurred in the, on 13/10. So, my lord.
He's undergoing some surgery for this?
Yes, and there is a medical prescription report, Dr. MBBS, my lord, Tezpur Medical College Hospital, case 32. And he also noted here fracture. Fracture is there, my lord. So if he was in fracture, how he can take place in the alleged incident, my lord? So this is
The allegation is about Marpit on assault.
yes, Marpit, because my lord, cross case also and allegation and counter allegation here. And other cross case accused already really moving, my lord. They have not been apprehended, my lord, whereas we are apprehending. And my lord, my wife also in serious blood related disease and very much essential to go abroad, out of station for better treatment. I have narrated paragraph, my lord. Here, my lord, ground of second bail application. All the three petitioner specifically narrated, page 7, my lord, round number 3. And this is for petition number 1. And fracture, he is in fracture, and wife of the petitioner, namely Ms. Nazima Barbin, has been suffering in acute ailment in respect to her blood-related disease. And
The present petitioner is not named in the FIR.
name in the affair.
His name is.
Name in the affair.
One person is severely injured, lordship.
Yes, yes.
And my lordship, out of these three present petitioner, three accused already been released on bail, my lord. That is page 13, Badrul Haq, Kamrul Islam, and Abdul Jabbar by this honorable court. And now before your lordship, this Zakir Hussain, petition number 2.
Release on bail page?
Page 13, my lord.
1-3?
Yes, lordship.
1-3.
1-3.
No, not 1-3.
6 accused, my lord.
No, that's okay. No, release on bail order. Bail order. Release on bail order. Co-accused release on bail order.
So that is not enclosed,
That is not
but only, my lord, reject order enclosed on the same day, my lord.
Okay.
On the same day,
Oh,
this
it's okay.
3 accused already been released.
Anyway, so okay, this.
Consider me, my lord.
When can you get it? Should we need do we need the other case diary?
Yes, but because when both parties were injured actually, and one person is severely injured, he's in ICU now.
Achha.
And our case, my lord, cross case, that is
So it says cross case will be called for also.
No, we have already called for.
already called for. And earlier
It has
was
not been
also
received.
for. But why
So,
they yet not final?
What we can do is you don't send back this case diary, you retain this case diary. We'll call for the other case diary.
To, my lord.
Otherwise, they may confuse and send it this week. End of
This
this
week,
week.
My lord, protection may be given, lord, in the meantime. In trouble. Lord.
Serious allegations. Anyway, let us see the diary. Short date as fast as possible. Thursday, if it comes. Otherwise, on Friday. I have no problem if it is on Thursday.
Thursday 5.
It appears that in the instant case, there's allegations and counter allegations of
Pathakandi PS
Marpit
case
and
number
assault.
230, my lord.
So the learned additional PP submits that one of the victims of the instant case is in serious condition in ICU. Full stop. The case diary of Patharkandi PS case number 229 of 25. No, within bracket pertaining to the FIR lost by the petitioners has been received. However, the case diary of Patharkandi 230 of 25
Yes.
within bracket pertaining to FIR lost from the side of the petitioner number 1
Yes.
has not been received. Full stop. The former case diary shall be retained and and the case diary of Patharkandi 230 shall be procured on the next day for better adjudication. Full stop. List the matter on
If possible, Lordship, 9/6, 9/2.
9, my
Because
lord.
this week, Lordship, today is 2, 2nd of the week, which is from Sri Bhumika Karimganj.
Okay, we can fix it on 7 also. 7 will be a
Seven,
working day.
6, my lord. 7, my lord.
Working day. You have some
Oh,
problem?
7,
7,
then 7, Lordship.
6, my lord.
You have some problem on 7? No issue.
6, my lord.
6. If it comes, that's why I said. If
6,
it comes, I have no problem. 6.
Obliged, lord.
Bill sends can copy only. No problem.
6.
Applicant 58, 59.
Collecting.
May I plead your lordship?
Maybe.
My lord, this is a pre-arrest bail application, my lord. The FIR your lordship will find at page 18, my lord.
At page.
Page 18, my lord.
Okay, yes. I remember
Yes, my lord.
remembering some using some fraudulent documents.
Yes, my lord.
Manufacturing, making
Yes, my
some
lord.
fraudulent.
But the thing is that, my lord, the petitioner is not the named accused, my lord. Named accused, those have been arrested. The petitioner is the inside headmaster of a school, my lord, where, my lord, which is the study center of Delhi State Open School. So allegation in the FIR is that these named FIR named persons and the husband of the informant, my lord, they manufactured some fake documents and they obtained some documents from the school of the from my lord Delhi State Open School. So Delhi State Open School, my lord, they impart education, my lord, and it is a study center for providing open schooling to the school dropouts and other persons who cannot attend schools for formal education. So regarding the documents of the husband of the informant, my lord, so those documents have been seized, my lord, as page 22 your lordship will find. Page 22. One original migration certificate of Delhi State Open School in the name of Saeb Ali, that is the husband of the informant, my lord. Then one original certificate, one original statement of marks. Then subsequently, the petitioner was also called by the IO, my lord, and he was interrogated. And from him also, my lord, page 24, your lordship will find they have seized one admission register, my lord.
Dighal Pukhuri High School.
Yes, my lord. So the petitioner involvement is to that extent only. He is the in-charge.
As per your instruction.
Yes,
Study center of Delhi.
and all these documents relating to the husband of the informant, those are available in the official website of the concerned university, my lord. That one document I have annexed at page 33, my lord. The statement of marks of that Shoaib Ali, my lord, page 33. It is available in the official website of that.
This is one of the documents seized.
Yes, my lord.
It's available in the website also.
Yes, my lord. Whatever have been seized, my lord. So, my lord, the petitioner is no way involved with the
Fraudulent activity.
Yes, my lord. Allegations level in the FIR, my lord. And in fact, my lord, those three named accused, my lord, they approached the learned trial court where they have been granted bail, my lord. That bail order, your lordship will find at page 30, my lord. There also, my lord, at page 31, your lordship may remember, page 31, third para. It has been, my lord, recorded that learned public prosecutor, after scrutinizing the case diary, could not show any seizure list which shows that the alleged fake false metric pass certificate was seized relating to Delhi State Open School. So no fake documents have been seized also, my lord, from the Delhi State Open School, by which the petitioner is connected to the allegations in the. So anyways, the petitioner is not at all involved with the allegations. So he has been granted interim, my lord. So his interim may be made absolute, my lord.
Other one also, I'll hear from their side.
Yes, my lord.
Together, joint petitioner, joint submission will take.
Slightly different here.
It's different.
Yes, the complicity of the petitioner is very much
No, sir, this one is different.
revealed from the statement of by the petitioner himself as
Okay.
well as the.
So, first I'll take up AB 4,
Yes,
item 50
yes,
58.
Abu Hanifa.
Abu Hanifa.
Yes.
Yes.
Lordship,
The headmaster.
headmaster. He happens to be the headmaster of Delhi.
Dighal Pukhuri School one.
Yes,
Yeah.
Dighal Pukhuri School. And she kindly go through the statement of the petitioner also. He himself admitted that some fake documents has been procured from Delhi Open School. And that has been given to the students that have taken parts without giving exams, without appearing. like-
Kindly correlated, yeah, that's, then
Yeah.
we have to cross check with this.
Yes,
And
but
learned particular could not show any seized.
But in
At that
the
time, it was not there. Any seized.
earlier lordship interim was granted without perusing the case.
That's true. This, which he has drawn attention to, page 31 of the bail petition.
Lordship.
This, I think I have only marked last time. Learned CP after scrutinizing the case, that was before the sessions
Lordship,
court.
yes.
That
They-
no fake documents were seized. Is that, what is the position now? Must be different. then.
Lordship, may I read his statement, Lordship?
Huh?
May I read the statement of the petitioner
You
himself?
can read. Can
Yes.
also kindly see after that whether any seized fake documents have been seized.
Yes,
You can check that.
I have interrogated the accused persons. So he has stated that during the year 2024, he saw one class 10 pass certificate of Delhi State Open School in a person's hand of Nagaon. He asked that person about the certificate where it can be found that the person replied him that paying rupees 10,000, it can be found. Then the accused Abu Hanifa searched in Google about the Delhi State Open School and messaged through email in the Delhi School Open School site. There he got in contact with one person, namely Gangandip Singh. The accused have never seen him or talked to him before. He asked him about the center approval for his school, Dighal Pukhuri High School, situated at Ashinagar, and accordingly, the unknown person, Gagandip Singh, agreed to give him center's approval certificate against rupees 10,000 on back date for the sessions 2009, 2010, and 2029 to 2030. He received the certificate by post. After that, he collected money from various persons, 7,000, 8,000 who needs class 10 certificate, and falsely sent statements of marks to that Gagandip Singh along with 3,000, 4,000 through Google Pay, and then the certificates were received by post at his school. I have seized the below noted articles in presence of the independent witnesses. The IO has seized one original authorization certificate from Delhi State Open School of approval of school center, name of the study center, Dighal Pukhuri High School, so and so address, for the sessions 2009 to 2010 and for the sessions 2029 to 2030. And witnesses are Mohidul Islam.
Earlier years. Earlier years.
Yes.
Back
Lordship.
years.
And 2029 and 2030 also, Lordship, for the sessions coming. One is from 2009 to 2010, another is from 2029 to 2030. And thereafter, the statements of the other witnesses are also there along with the scissor witnesses. Lordship.
To be seen properly then.
Yes, one Yasima Begum, my name is so and so. Moi Panchayator ward member hoy. Hotona Bikhoye, Jonao se Abu Hanifa, Sinipao, Teo Dighal Pukhuri High School or at teacher, Teo Delhi State Open School or Center at a Solai ase, মোৰ ইলেকশ্যন খেলিবলৈ ক্লাছ 10 পাছ চাৰ্টিফিকেট এটাৰ দৰকাৰ হৈছিল। সেইবাবে মই আবু হানিফাৰ অপেন স্কুলৰ চেণ্টাৰত এডমিশ্যন লৈছিলোঁ 2023 ইয়েৰত মই এডমিশ্যন লৈছিলোঁ 2024ত এক্সাম আছিল কিন্তু এক্সাম দিয়া দিনাখন আমি এক্সাম চেণ্টাৰত গৈছিলোঁ কিন্তু আবু হানিফা ছাৰে এক্সাম পাতা নাছিল আমাৰ এক্সাম নোলোৱাকে এনেই আমাক বহাই ৰাখিছিল আৰু কৈছিল এনে পাছ কৰিবা তোমালোক আৰু চাৰ্টিফিকেট পাবা পিছত এডমিশ্যন পিছত আমি বাই পোষ্ট চাৰ্টিফিকেট পাইছিলোঁ আমি এক্সাম নিদিয়াকে আমি পাছ চাৰ্টিফিকেট পাইছিলোঁ so same sort of statements has been given by other witnesses as well as the scissor witnesses statements are also there so it's not a fit case of granting of this case at this moment I'm opposing.
Anyway, so we will write the conclusion later, just early part of the day. I'll come to you.
Just shouldn't indulge in such kind of.
PP Bora, Land Council. The other order to first 2, 3, 4. 6. The petitioner was granted interim bail on 6/1/2026. Mr. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, praying for making the preparing for confirming the interim bail, submits that the petitioner is a headmaster of one Dighal Pukhuri High School and running the center, legitimately running center of study center of Delhi Open School. And it is also submitted that he is not involved in fraudulent activities and that the seized documents, the documents seized by the IO are all available in the website of the Delhi Open School. Full stop. The case diary has been received. S.H. Bora learned additional PP. Bora learned additional PP submits that the apart from the statement of the present petitioner being self-incriminating, full stop. The statements of other witnesses have also indicated about giving certificates without holding any examination. Full stop. She is also referred to certain documents seized by the IO. Full stop. The materials to indicate that study center was obtained. Study center was made upon payment of rupees 10,000. That was a valid fee, 10,000 or bribe. 10,000 was a valid fee.
No, Lord.
Bribe.
That's a bribe.
10,000 to the Delhi Open School side. So the case diary is placed before me. I have See, I'll have a look carefully because the interim has been given. Only submitted. Who is this person?
Item number 59, my lord, your lordship will find, your lordship has already gone to the FIR. He is
Yes, FIR, I have
FIR
gone.
is, my lord, item person who is listed as accused number 4, my lord, Farooq. And he is the owner of a global smart point, my lord. So he runs a computer center, my lord. Now, here your lordship will appreciate one aspect, my lord. The informant herein, apparently it seems like she seems to have some sort of a resentment towards her husband. She comes and lodges an FIR, which may to an extent be true also that her husband had procured fake certificates for the purpose of that.
This is informant is Sajima Begum.
Yes, my lord. Sajina Begum has reveals, my lord. I'll just read the FIR, my lord.
She is the wife of the.
She is the wife of Sayab Ali.
Sayab Ali.
And she lodges that her husband, Sayab Ali, who is a ward member, had used fake documents procured with the.
I remember.
So she lodges his FIR against her husband. So looks like, my lord, there is some sort of a resentment between her and her husband. And this allegation is that these certificate documents had been used for the purpose of panchayat election. Now she names 4 persons, my lord. 4 persons, apparently all 4 of them seem to be running some sort of a computer shop. Now her husband could not have procured documents from all 4 shops, my lord. Now, subject to what is there in the case I with my learned friend.
I'll take some time to see.
Whether this person, petitioner before your.
What is the allegation against him in the FIR?
General omnibus allegation against all 4 persons that with their help and connivance, my lord.
With the headmaster.
Headmaster's case is not mentioned in the FIR. Okay. Headmaster is not named in the FIR. So their name,
Yes, right.
specific allegation has been attributed that all these 4 persons.
These are, they are
FIR name.
Yes,
issuing
their
fake
name
documents.
Had issued fake documents. So subject to what is there in the case, that your lordship will examine whether this petitioner had any role to play in the procurement or manufacture of any document, because the charges are under, my lord, of forgery, my lord, and using as genuine false documents that would be attributable to the husband. The only thing which could be attributed to the petitioner is whether he had forged the document or not. So that your lordship will examine. Now, FIR names 4 persons, my lord, out of which your lordship will find at page 15, three were arrested by the police.
The present petitioner is also not mentioned in, named in the FIR, right?
He is there. my lord.
He's
Farooq.
the FIR named. He's the FIR
This
named.
is nickname. His other his real
Hussain
name is
Ahmed.
Hussain Ahmed.
But he ranks a computer point,
He ranks the
customer service point.
Yes, my lord. That is not
Yes.
Basically, forgery starts from this computer center.
computer center. Now, there are three owners of the computer centers have been arrested. Now, unless and until if there are specific materials which show that this petitioner before your lordship had engaged in forgery, then perhaps I would not have any case. But if unless and until there is no material, because your lordship will appreciate the punishment for these offences only is up to 7 years. So these are offences for which otherwise the police can issue a notice and not arrest the accused person. So unless and until there are compelling circumstances, my lord, and compelling materials in the case diary, which would show that this petitioner is either involved in the offences. Secondly, even if he is involved, there is likelihood of him hampering or tampering the investigation or absconding. my lord.
He has no,
This person
no
has
interim.
no interim. He has no criminal antecedents. So at the end of the day, bail, your lordship will see whether there is danger to society, whether this person is a flight risk, or whether there is a possibility.
So in this case, it will be necessary, just have to see whether his custodial examination or whatever is necessary.
Given the case.
And these 3 persons who were arrested have already been granted bail, as my
1,
learned
2,
friend
3.
has also pointed
1, 2,
out.
3.
Yes, ma'am. That those orders your lordship will find at page 17. And apart from that, my lord, page 23 onwards, some other accused persons, one of whose statements my learned friend had read out, who had allegedly implicated the headmaster, my lord.
Headmaster.
They were also accused persons, and they had also appeared and got the benefit of anticipatory bail, my lord.
They were accused persons.
Yes, my lord. So they have appeared page 23, my lord. 23 and 25, my lord. So my humble prayer would be, Lord, lordship will examine whether there is material, and secondly, my lord, whether his custodial detention is so essential that without his detention, this investigation cannot
Good.
progress.
Be hampered. What about to say? Mr. Nawaz Learned Council submits that the petitioner, though named in the FIR, is really running a computer service point and denies involvement in any forgery. The FIR has been logged by one Sajima Begum, stated to be wife of one of the FIR named persons, right?
Yes, Sayeb Ali.
FIR named person Saib Ali. 4 persons are named in the FIR, including the present petitioner. However, drawing attention to the relevant annex document, it is submitted that 3 of them have already been granted bail by the learned court bill. It is submitted that the alleged offences for which the petitioner is being and others are being prosecuted is punishable up to 7 years, and it remains to be seen whether their custodial detention or custody is necessary, is essential for the remaining investigation. Learned Council prays for granting bail to the petitioner. The case diary has been placed before me. I'll go through it. Huh?
No,
I'll see it properly. Okay.
I'm deeply
obliged.
Today only, but I'll get some time also.
Time being 31.
Bail on any.
Sorry, madam, it was the other co-point.
No problem.
But it is second time, and your lordship will find 12% named in the FIR. Your lordship's order is page 19. 12% named in the FIR. three person already arrested and released on bail. One person is a student, last time your lordship, I remember,
Yes.
he was in coaching.
I remember.
Yes, coaching, that's why you fixed it today, my lord.
Okay.
And my only question, my lord, he is now quite normal, my lord, attempt to murder. But several persons are there, my lord, had all, they have participated, certainly he could have died or could have sustained very severe injuries, my lord. Maybe that might have the person who already been arrested, to our information, they are the main persons. And these persons were have been integrated only because they are related to the other persons, my lord. Page 20, your lordship's order. 21 can be seen.
Jalilur, no, Abdul Jalil. Jalilur Rahman. Page 20.
Page 21, your lordship's order.
Yes, yes, I've seen. I'm just going to.
Paragraph 3, right of, rest of the case, your lordship, and so on.
Group, so allegations of group assault, sometimes it is very difficult to make out
Lordship.
individual role.
Yes.
Very difficult, and it's
Physical
risky also.
assault, all
Risky
the
also.
injuries were grievous
There is risk of missing out, there is risk of false implication as well.
as well.
Both are,
Both
it is
sides.
risky on both sides.
Yes, my lord.
So these things have to be seen
That is, at this
carefully.
stage, my information investigation almost my lord, substantially against my lord.
Okay. Yes.
Lordship, earlier it was rejected after having found sufficient materials
Yeah,
against the
merits.
That I am not denying, your lordship's observation is there.
Rightly or wrongly, I passed that order.
Yes,
Yeah.
and the rejection,
Certainly at this stage, my lord.
rejection order, Lordship, at
I've seen them.
it was on 10/12.
Yes, yes, thank you.
Yes.
And Lordship, here we have the case diary up to 2/12/2026, Lordship. Records is up to 2/12/2026.
I see. That is.
2/12/2025,
Okay.
Lordship. And so far as Lordship petitioner number
Hey,
3 is concerned,
Okay.
Asif Ahmed,
you get certificate of his coaching, my lord.
Asif,
yes, accused number 6 and petitioner number 3 here.
Page 28, last page. Certificate, he was present in the, my lord. coaching.
Asif Ahmed.
Yes.
Also 9 petitioner. I thought there was only 1 petitioner.
No,
There were 10 petitioners in this earlier order, no, which was rejected. One has got
Yeah.
Nizamuddin Saab. 9 have come.
now one was arrested and released, out of 9.
9 has come.
Arrested and got bail now.
Yes.
Order the next.
Oh, that is the next slide.
Asif Ahmed.
Yeah.
You want to say something?
Yes.
Some of the
Asif-
student,
so
page
far as
28.
Asif Ahmed is concerned, Lordship. And there is a note from the IO that video footage side দেখা যায় যে যাহার নাম দিয়া পদকীয়া নং 6 নং পদকীয়া আসিফ সেইদিনা ৰাতি নিশা 9 বজাত হুজাইত অনলাইন ক্লাছ কৰি থকা দেখা যায় অৰ্থাৎ এজাহাৰত নাম দিয়া 6 নং পদকীয়া আসিফ আহমেদ বামুনগাঁও অঞ্চলত
That is their instruction.
Yes, ঘটনাস্থলীত he was not
Four present as well, 6 persons are present.
he was not present at the time of occurrence. That note is also given that.
That's okay, fair enough. But that's okay, he can be considered. Otherwise, should we, because I see I cannot, ideally I should be seeing the investigation since then, in this time, after
Yes.
10-12,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
But there is
There is up to
before
2/12.
10-12.
Yes, to 12. So what are the further investigations?
Oh, he can be given some, he should be given, I think. Yes,
Yes,
electronic
he
evidence
should
is
be
there.
given. So there's
It
a
should be fair to give him. Or
And for others up to date case, maybe, my lord, that also.
that can be done, no? That can be done. So.
Page number 3 is.
Senior counsel fairly submits an earlier bail petition was rejected on 10/12/25 on behalf of 10 petitioners, including the present petitioners here. In the meantime, one of those 10 petitioners, Sahabuddin, was arrested and subsequently granted regular bail. The remaining 9 petitioners are in this subsequent bail petition. In the case diary is available, but
But
it is,
one thing, my lord, apart from Tajuddin, other 2 accused, 2 and 3.
Were also arrested.
2 and 3 and 5, my lord. In the FIR name, my lord, just take to FIR names, 2, 3 and 5.
They were
So 2 already your lordship mentioned, my lord, page 14. Page 14. 3 and 5 also arrested and released on bail.
Oh, अच्छा,
And they are the main person against whom allegation to
Oh,
are informed.
I see.
Page 14.
Okay.
Your lordship mentioned about Tajuddin.
Ikramul Hussain and Riazuddin.
No, Najimuddin, my lord.
Najimuddin and Mehfooz.
Najimuddin and Mehfooz, 3 and 5, page 14.
Accused number.
2, 3, and 5. They have
Page
been
14,
arrested.
man, FIR name.
3 and 5.
2, 3, and
3 and 5. no?
2, 3 and 5.
2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5 released on bail.
Yes.
The meantime. 2, 3 and 5 of the FIR name.
Exact.
Out of the FIR name because released on bail. Stuff. With regard to petitioner number 3, Asif Ahmed, it is contended by the Land Senior Counsel on the basis of one annex document that on that day he was attending a coaching class at an institute for competitive examination. The learned additional PP fairly submits that the same find support from a note of the IO referring to electronic materials indicating his presence at another location. That's why this is the thing. No? Many people can be roped in sometimes when there is group fight. Suppose that's why I've heard that whenever some incident takes place, it's not fun. We should never stay that either you
Bystander also
inform the
sometimes
law enforcing authorities to help the situation or you don't stay because sometimes presence may be
Yes,
very,
sometimes.
bad for you.
Yeah.
But at the same time, some people, there are people who public spirited people who want to help also.
Yes,
So somehow,
It's
Anyway.
a tendency nowadays, man.
but
So
anyway,
everyone first
everything has become very complex nowadays.
In the FIR, all the, it has been written in the referred it, all the accused persons, not specifically them that this person has done this.
Oh, that's true.
That is not.
And
right.
he's
But
quite
this is the
okay now,
subsequent
man.
information anyway.
He's quite okay now, man.
The case there is maybe returned back and procured again with the up-to-date investigation. Let's stop. However, in the interim, the event of arrest of petitioner number 3, Asif Ahmed, 20,000 with 1 service. He can record his statement,
Not.
operation and record his statement.
No.
Get it within a investigation will continue in the supplementary case, the case diary there,
Lordship.
or it will not progress.
Lordship may
Better
call for
to
up to
return and
next
come
day,
back,
Lordship.
madam.
We have to send it back.
Send it back, yes. Send it back.
Let it be on 20, Lordship, 20th of,
20,
then let it be on
You want it-
17th.
17,
Yes.
is it okay? 16, 17,
And it will also.
17.
Number 60.
It's the
60.
60.
Matter may be adjourned for time being, your lordship. My senior is in leg, your lordship.
After some time.
Highly obliged.
Can you get a hold of me? Can you get a hold? Just a minute. Bails are open. Let me see. $14.50.
40.
14. Do it.
Need please, your lordship. Lordship, I seek some accommodation for today. Senior Counsel AM was out of station.
Okay.
The matter
He's-
maybe
he's
kindly
there?
adjourned for today.
My lord, my only prayer is that, my lord, there is an interim order passed in 17/5/2022, my lord. The proceeding of the case was stayed, my lord.
Stayed.
So, my lord, I just want to pray that the date of the interim order may be recorded in today's order, my lord, and the interim may continue.
So anyway, you were the complainant who filed this, and you are seeking quashing of the complaint
Yes,
case,
yes, my lord.
right? Let's stop. The petitioner heard so and so. The petitioner seeking invoking 482 CRPC, seeking quashing of CR case number 96 of 22, pending before learned CGM Karimganj. Full stop. Proceedings therein are under an order of stay of this court, stay passed by this court on 17/5/2022. Long time.
Yes, yes, my lord. It has come. in the
Do it,
admission form.
it's in your, it's in your favor, but it's in your interest.
Yes, Lordship.
Both sides interest
Yes,
actually. Get it done. Okay, no problem. The record. The scan, record has come, but this
Record
will be
has
sufficient.
Yes.
What is the stage of the case?
Stage, my
As per
lord.
your instruction, if you know,
But I am not.
not sure?
Not sure.
Not
my lord,
sure.
But now, my lord, the trial code is, my lord, asking for up-to-date order of this code.
Okay, okay.
So
No,
that
no, how
is
can it be?
continued, my lord.
I mean, what I'm, that would
Yes.
be a foolish question. So it is under
Cognizance has
stay,
been taken,
but
yes,
what was the
Lordship.
last stage before?
Cognizance has been taken.
Okay, evidence not started
No.
probably, no? The scanned case record has been received. Learned counsel for the informant hearing on behalf of Senior Counsel A.M. Bora. 6 another date, the learned Senior Counsel is stated to be outstation. Prayer is allowed. What did you say? Mention the order of the interim.
Yes, yes, the earlier interim order
17/5.
Yes,
I'll
yes,
mention
will
this.
be- Yes, yes.
This will do. Okay. So next day, maybe we can take it up.
Yes, that is
Will
correct.
it be possible to dispose at the admission stage? But hearing will take delay it. Let it.
There
It
is
is a
the
22
investigation.
matter, but it is a 22 matter.
Lordship.
Even if I admit and fix it for hearing, it will come little up. But anyway, let it
be an
remain.
admission, Lordship.
Let us see how long it takes or whatever. Next date, you can take a date.
After
If we get a list like this, then maybe we can do it
after 2
on the
weeks,
motion.
Lordship. After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. We can fix a date, huh?
Yes, Lordship.
Oh, 2 weeks. 18 to?
Lordship, can it be on the next week because my senior might not be there in the whole week from 15 till
On that
21.
one.
Yes, Lordship.
Or maybe thereafter we can take it.
23, Lordship, on Monday.
Uh-huh.
23,
23, yes.
Monday.
23 on the then.
Lordship.
23. Sometimes Monday, this is longer. Sometimes.
If Lordship is any other date, Lordship.
No, no, it's not 23.
Deeply obliged.
Alright.
Item number 15.
After some time. Two timings, so 33.
Order item 33.
Yes, sir.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, I take your lordship to the office though dated 27/11/25. Thank you. Where it has been indicated that I have taken step, but neither this step were returned nor the ID card returned. So my lord, or all the alternatives I have to submit another application, another notice, my lord. Through the district judge.
It's a like concurrent findings of guilt, no?
Yes.
Against conviction.
Yes, yes.
Then who is the private informant?
Oh, this is a.
Okay, so whatever.
Informant, 376 is there.
It's necessary.
Necessary, my lord. Our-
POXO, it's necessary.
Yes.
But 376, similar.
Yes.
We'll take that course through Office of PP. The OC police station will take instructions.
Yes, yes.
Regarding that will be best. Whole matter. No?
I'll send for PP, my lord.
Mr. Biswas, learned counsel for the petitioner. Agreed by concurrent findings of guilt. By the learned courts below has drawn my attention to this for my reference only. I'm saying office note dated 27/11/25, indicating that service upon respondent number 2 informant remains pending. So the petitioner undertakes to take fresh steps upon the said respondent. Steps may be taken to the office of the learned PP and to be executed through the concerned police station. the prosecution subsequently shall also take instructions regarding such service, so that this whole pending matter can proceed. The original case record is already available. Done. What is the IA? There's a IA also.
No, I got bail, my lord, disposed.
Oh, disposed of. Okay. Disposed of. Disposed of. No, not disposed. IA is disposed of.
IA
It should not show actually, no, after disposal. So it shows. Sibu. It shows. It should not show, no, after disposal. One matter. No, date we have not given. So we have not given the date. We should give a date. 25/2. 25/2, is it okay? 25/2. One more matter.
Yes, 34, my lord.
34.
Here also, my lord, as per office note
Criminal
15/10/25, my lord. Service report has not been received, my lord. We'll take fresh steps, my lord. The matter
This
regarding.
is also a POXO case.
No, my lord. This is a PC Act, my lord.
PC Act. Then private respondent, who's the private respondent? Informant.
We'll take steps, my lord, regarding the private respondent, my lord.
No, private respondent is, who's the private respondent? He's the
Informant, my lord.
he's a police officer.
Police officer, my lord.
He can be represented by, he can be represented.
It's a PC Act. My matter,
PC
my lord.
Act.
Yes.
Original record is received.
Not received paper. As per court list.
Huh?
As per court list, it was not shown in court.
Special judge. Special.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Police officer he can represent.
He is CM vigilance matter, my lord.
Okay.
So police officer will.
Okay. Can you represent?
CM
You can
CM
represent.
vigilance is a special PPS for CM vigilance.
Oh, I see.
That time it was different.
So what should we
He
do?
can
He
take an-
can represent. I think.
This is the case of 2017, my lord.
Okay, the criminal appeal for conviction of the appellant, conviction and sentence of the appellant by the learned special judge. Some. It's pending for service upon respondent number 2. Who was a DSP.
Investigation officer.
And also the IO of the case in the CM vigilance cell at the relevant time, full stop. The prosecution in such cases is represented by the special PP CM vigilance and full stop. The respondent number 2 being a police official shall also be represented by the learned special PP. You just inform him. Special PP CM vigilance cell, full stop. It appears that the original case record is not available of special case number 12 of 2014 has not yet been received from the learned court below. Special judge, special judge, not CBI, special judge. The original case record may be requisitioned on the office of the learned special judge. Assam. Stop. List the matter on. This can be also on something like that. 25.
Last week of February, my lord.
25.
25.
25/2.
Deeply obvious.
Okay. After record comes, we can admit it
My lord.
and then fix it for hearing.
We have to take steps, my lord. Fresh
Huh?
steps. We'll take fresh steps, my lord, today.
No, not necessary. He will represent.
My lord.
The only thing is that a copy of this order shall be furnished to the learned special PP CM vigilance. You inform him and he'll
Yes,
get a
we'll
copy
inform.
also. No?
Obvious.
His name is showing. It's not, name is also not showing.
Name is not.
PP is not. The name of the said special PP shall also be reflected in the cost list. Then otherwise, that's why it's not appearing.
Obvious.
Lordships.
One
my
more.
lord, item number 36 is there, Lordships. Can your Lordship, if your Lordships takes it after the lunch break, my lord, can it be taken at 3, my lord?
3. Oh,
Three.
okay.
If your Lordships can take it now, Lordships,
Okay. After, oh, sorry, you are not, you will go somewhere. Item 36.
my lord.
Okay, at 3 will.
Oblige, ma'am, oblige.
Pending for Matter was last listed on 24/9/2020. Full stop. The original case record of NDPS case number 31 of 2014 within bracket DRI case number 4 of 2013-14 has been received. Full stop. However, by the impugned judgment, the respondent number 2, respondent herein. Just a minute. Where is the appeal memo? Fakhrul Alam, alias Fakhrul Islam, was acquitted of the charge under section 20B2C NDPS Act. Full stop. The appellant side shall take fresh steps upon the respondent at his proper and current address. Full stop. The prosecution is also given the liberty. The appellant is also given the liberty to resort to dusty service upon the sole respondent. Full stop. Leaves the matter after 3 weeks. But we have to fix a date. On 26/2.
37.
Record is it? LCA. This is an appeal against acquittal, against order dated, judgment and order dated 30/9/2016, passed by learned CJM Jorhat, GR case number 1324 of 2006, acquitting the respondent / accused under 420 IPC. You are for the
appellate law.
appellant. For this thing, this appeal against acquittal, right?
Lordship.
Which is, I think, record has not come, so we have to call for the record.
Lordship.
Long old case, 2006, the long case.
Long.
No, I don't know whether the records becomes, and service also. You have
Service lordship, it
service
has
is-
not been received back.
Mhm.
That
It was last listed in 21. only.
2021.
Anyway, so original case record of GR case number 1324 may be called for from the learned CJM Jorhat. Full stops. You'll take fresh steps.
Lordship.
The appellant last one, fresh steps upon the respondent. Also, you take dusty possible.
Lordship,
if possible, no? At liberty,
Lordship,
both list the matter or let it be on the same day, 26/2.
26 to Lordship.
Okay.
Much obliged.
ये POCSO case. POCSO, again, convicted under section 8. So notice will be necessary, right? But nobody is appeared. Last date also nobody appeared. It was last listed on, matter was last listed on 22/8/2017. Stuff. The original case record of sessions case number 212 of 2014 has been received from the Court of Learned Session Judge Tinsukia. Would stop. None appears today on behalf of the appellant. Fresh steps may be taken upon the respondent number 2 to the office of the learned public prosecutor and to be executed through the concerned police station. And subsequently, the prosecution shall also take instructions regarding service, completion of service. Okay. List the matter on 27/2. That is why, all these things have to be tackled. Like otherwise, if they don't reach, so it will remain, after 2017, it's got listed for the second time today. Just imagine. After 8 years. But we should use technology, I think, in these matters. Can be solved. This problem can be solved.
39.
We'll not lose track of cases. We can use 39. It was last listed on 17/12/2018. None appears today on behalf of the petitioner. Juvenile matter. So you can represent juvenile matter. Special home for 2 months. You must have come, served and gone out. Maybe. Lost meaning. But anyway, so something has to be done, right? We cannot dismiss it also. Appeal, Juvenile Justice Board had convicted and then appeal was dismissed, but sentence was reduced.
Earlier date also not appears.
Hmm?
Yeah, listed on up to 2018.
Yes, last listed on 17/12/2018. None appears on, they have also lost track perhaps. None appears today on behalf of the petitioner. It's took. Original case record has been received from the learned court below. Full stop. Will informant be necessary in this case? 354, convicted under 354 IPC. Not necessary. Is it? No, 376 is necessary, right? But 354 is similar, crimes against women. But I don't know, Deepak Nayak, does it say all these things?
Deepak Nayak doesn't say about only about POCSO.
Only POCSO.
373 is also not required. I have submitted wrongly.
Not required?
Not required, because there is a judgment of Road High Court.
Yes, yes.
376 not required.
354.
Only POCSO is required.
354 is necessary?
Not
No,
required.
thank you.
As per Deepak,
Well,
only POCSO.
Guidance. For them, so. Though originally steps was taken upon the response number 2, but steps to end. Steps to end. No steps have been taken, so we'll go post it for hearing.
Is there a symptom? 41. no? 40. So let them appear also. Because non-appearance there, so let them appear. What to put their service.
That service will give up. No need. We'll stop. List the matter on 27/2. Otherwise, it is
40.
ready for hearing.
40. Number 40.
Washing of FIR. Oh, it must be. Probably there's some development must be. Otherwise, that's why no development. No. Otherwise, investigation, I don't.
Time was there, I think.
Huh?
This is what they stage. In time order was there.
Huh?
In time was probably there in time.
Yes.
That's why it was not listed in all from the make out for 2018.
Record has been received.
Record
Yes.
is not shown in as further published. It is not reflected in the record.
Record will be necessary also. Case diary.
Is that at least the investigation said that.
No, I am searching for the interim order. None appears on behalf of the petitioner. The petitioner had filed this proceeding under 482 CRPC, seeking quashing of Jorat PS case number 493 of 2018. Within bracket GR 670 of 18 dash arising out of an FIR dated 13/3/2018. Stop. Agreement, some civil kind of, maybe they have settled something of that sort. On 7/5/2018, this court, by way of interim order, was pleased to stay further proceedings in the said PS case. Stop.
The investigation at this stage. There is the order of.
The matter was last listed on 29/11/2022. Stop. We have to continue the interim order till it decides something. The case record has not been, you call for the CD then.
CD.
Call for the case diary of Jorat PS case number so and so, whatever it is. Then informant has to be noticed. I'm not sure whether it has been. I don't think notice has been served also. 27/11. The petitioner shall take fresh steps of notice upon the response number 2 through the office of the prosecutor. and to be executed through the concerned police station. And subsequently, the prosecution shall take instructions regarding completion of service. This is the matter on 27-2. 27-2. 27.
41.
Forty-one is yours?
Yeah, my friend is the respondent here. He has filed an application, IA, to implicate the informant's son or brother as a petitioner respondent because her mother has died. So, to my humble submission, probably in a criminal matter, substitution is not possible.
Substitution.
Substitution.
In fact, it is not a substitution petition. There are provision under 302 and 256. The honorable court, if permit, can.
302. CRPC.
CRPC.
Let us see.
And 256 also, my lord.
Learn.
Read it. The honorable court has the power to.
Without substitution also case will go. Case will continue. There is no bar.
Yes.
Because we have challenged one impugned order. If it go back, then her signature will be able to prove by the other persons who are witnessed in this case.
302 is 302. You said.
Any part, yes, well, 302 CRPC. Any magistrate
No,
inquiry.
this is a private prosecution assisting PP.
Yes, well. So, any person.
Oh, it's a prosecution to be conducted by any person other than the police officer.
Yes, well.
Below the rank of inspector, but no person. This is for actually magistrate tribal cases, I think.
Yes, yes.
But no person, because in magistrate tribal cases, sometimes prosecution can be conducted by police also.
Yes.
That has now undergone change now because
Yes,
now assistant PPs are doing it. But no person other than the advocate general shall be without permission. So that's okay. Any person conducted may do so personally or by pleader. Is this, I think, will it apply in this section? Let us see then. I don't know the matter, no? So I'll just have to
And
see.
my lord, 256 is provision also there in case of death of.
482.
256, my.
Order dated in past tense issuing. He was, you are aggrieved by summoning under 319.
And my friend is.
I am aggrieved. That's why I have come. My lord, in the FIR, my lord, my name was given but since I was in the official duty, deputed by the Assistant Superintendent of Police and the Civil Hospital Authority. Then, my lord, I have produced that very document. Then I was dropped in the charge sheet. But as in the trial court.
You're for the petitioner, sir?
I am the petitioner.
Okay, I see.
So, that's why, my lord, now court has issued a summon against me.
19.
That is, I have under challenge.
And the proceedings are under stay probably?
Yes,
Regarding-
is understand.
Regarding only this petition alone. Otherwise, the
only against
continued and it is in the other state. Regarding other accused person.
And what happened, you said? Who died?
The informant.
Javeda Khatun.
Informant.
Informant
son.
Javeda Khanum.
Expired, murdered. 302.
She is the informant.
302, yes. Informant.
She has died.
He died.
His grievance can be looked into by the court.
Regarding other accused person.
What happened to them?
In the argument stage.
Oh, my lord, the trial is going on for other accused person.
Excluding.
Probably it is in argument stage.
Argument stage.
I will let you know what is the status of this case also.
The status is there.
You want to, yeah, sorry, I think right. The substitution
is not right.
But he can additional implement possible maybe.
Yes.
As respond number
The son
3.
has filed the Wakalatnama in this case.
Is that possible? Respond number 3. Otherwise, he will have no locus standi because his client has expired.
No, other family members, other son are there. In the as witness here. There.
Okay. No. In this cause title, Jubeda Khanam is the sole respondent.
The informant and she died.
He died.
Yes. Now her affair has been already exhibited by other person. So there is no problem. Only the depart, she cannot depose. Because she is no more in the world.
No, I am saying that to dispose of this petition,
to
examine the merit of the summoning.
Probably there is no scope to be incorporated her legally or
Not, yeah, not substitution.
No substitution.
Not substitution. It is
No, not
it's not
substitution.
continuation.
So your lordship may dispose it without, and thereafter, my lord, let it, the matter may come up for hearing, earlier matter. Original matter is criminal revision that we have filed.
It is a matter of 2019, my
But
lord.
yeah, that's true. But you're right, actually.
It can
It should be
fixed for
heard.
Admission in a
It should
hearing.
be heard. But thing is that only thing is that if since his client has died,
Yes.
whom he will not have any locus standi to.
Yes, he
stand.
cannot. But he has been engaged by other legal heirs.
Only if they are implemented as respond number 3 plus. Is that possible? Now that is the question. Only if other informants, other family members, close family members like son, if they are implemented as respond number 3, 4, something like that, then only, and they engage you, then you can appear. Otherwise,
yes,
the matter, your contract ends,
I
right?
have filed the wakalatnama, madam. Already filed the wakalatnama.
You have filed the wakalatnama by whom? That is to be answered.
First, they have to be implemented, I think. Otherwise, it's better we hear, but the thing is that there'll be nobody to address argument for the other side. Anyway, prosecution can argue. You know, we can look into the merit of the summoning, that's all. Merit of the summoning, that's all.
Yes, yes.
We'll look into the merit of.
Yes.
So, no
Madam,
problem.
it's for admission in.
See, this is learned counsel appears for the petitioner, who is agreed by order dated 18/12/18, passed in sessions case number 38 of 25, summoning him in exercise of powers under section 319 CRPC. Mr. Kadir was representing respond number 2, Jubaida Khan was the informant, but in the meantime, she has expired. The case record is here, no? Scan record is here, Mr. PP.
Scan copy have to be called for.
Oh, it's not there.
Cost list.
Not received.
Not received.
Required scan copy maybe.
Scan copy of the case record, scan TCR, maybe call for from the concerned. This is session judge.
Yes.
Yes.
Karimganj.
Karimganj.
Sri Bhumi. Karimganj. It will be in the orders column only.
Yes, exactly.
List on 27/2.
25/2.
27/2.
27/2. Okay.
In the orders column.
All right.
After we'll hear it.
Yes, yes.
No problem.
Yes.
Best.
42.
Oh, stay is there, no? Oh, with regard to this. It is submitted that there is an interim order with regard
Continue, madam.
only with regard to this petitioner.
This petitioner.
Regarding the trial, and the same shall continue. Okay.
42.
Yes,
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, here, this is conviction for 7 years, 10 years, Lordship. Already 7 and 7 years, 6 months have passed.
He's in custody.
Yeah, yes, it's a jail appeal, Lordship. I'm in my custody. And notice has been sent, and there is a office note that although it's 376, but notice is already served.
What's up?
Yes. But paper book is not yet prepared.
There's some urgency because he has already, whatever it is, we should decide.
7 years, 6 months already.
We should at least decide it, no, isn't it? Paper book will be necessary.
Only the compilation is necessary because I don't have any piece of document.
Okay, otherwise you'll have to be given
Yes.
from here.
Yes, Lordship. Only the Jahar, etc. and the evidence.
How many witnesses? 1, 2, 3. Handwriting is not bad. 5, 6, 7. So handwriting is not bad, but there are a couple of witnesses. Yeah, ask them.
Try.
No, we can. I'll ask them to
Yes,
prepare
yes.
paper book
Yes.
and give it to you. Notice upon the informant, Ms. B. Sharma, learned amicus curiae, represents the appellant. Notice upon the respond number 2, no? is complete. Full stop. The original case record has been received. What do you suggest, Bora? Should we ask for paper book?
My lord, that will be even convenient, my lord, for both the, my lord,
Yeah.
as well lordship also, as well as for us also, my lord. The 10 years conviction, my lord. The question is already 7 and.
It is submitted that
6 years
the convict appellant has already spent a substantial part of his sentence of 10 years. Full stop. The paper book may be prepared urgently by the concerned section of the registry. And paper book in 3 sets. Full stop. And 1 set it should be given to the prosecution and the
My lord.
defense counsel. List the matter on it is updated. Should we give it on little, but without preparation of paper book?
Let the matter be.
Urgently to
Second week of March.
Raki, urgently to bold kori dibo.
Let the matter be listed, my lord, after preparation of the paper book.
Then I fear that if it gets lost, like many of this, unless we can have a technical system and technology in place. Once that is placed, it is safe. It will give you indicators. It's possible nowadays.
Let it be in the month of March then, my lord. Because again, April, my lord, there will be again holiday will come.
Only that will be realistic, but 5th March or 6th March.
Or 10th March, lordship. Immediately after holiday may not provide it. So 10th of March is a Tuesday. Or 11 also, no problem, lordship. That week.
Okay. 11-3.
43.
So these are poor people, na? Who,
Yes.
if it is some upper middle class person, then there will be hue and cry, isn't it? So we have to think for them. ED matter.
Yes, may I please, your lordship?
Yes, please.
Lordship, actually, I'm newly being engaged as a retainer counsel of ED. So I just got
Retainer for the ED?
ED.
Okay. Okay, this is
I need-
now it has come up for the LP, criminal
Yes,
leave
I need
petition.
some time. Lordship. Any time.
In the
7
criminal appeal with IA. Okay. You have
maybe
given
after
some,
1 week, lordship.
given some judgment also. Anyway, no, it's okay. Do you take? Learned counsel, your good name, please. Your good name, please.
Please, sir, Pranjal Sharma.
Please, Sharma. That's okay. No.
Yes,
I
sir.
don't have copyright. Nor do you.
Same name.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has been newly engaged as a retainer counsel for the department and seeks some time. The prayer is allowed. So, about Thakur appears for the respondent. Sole respondent.
Respondent 2 only.
One is
Another respondent.
All other responses are there, but I'm for respondent number 2. madam.
respondent number 2. Others have not appeared. No?
Yeah.
Today, others have not appeared.
In delay condemnation petition, I think one lady appeared for other 2 respondents.
Achha. For the respondent number 2, as it will keep on. Case record is available.
No,
It's come.
no, actually.
Delay was condoned on earlier occasion.
Achha.
There was a delay some few days. Now it is already condoned. Now the LP is before you.
Special leave. Leave petition.
Yes, yes, it is before Lordship.
Achha. Oh, I is disposed of. Record is. We have to call any record?
No.
Not at this stage.
At this stage, no, sir.
I will produce all the records, anything.
No problem.
Whatever. it is.
List the matter on. You can suggest a date. I'll keep these judgments.
Last week of February. Lord.
Last week of February. Lordship.
Last week.
Any date?
Or it can be on 2nd March.
Okay.
2, 3.
I highly obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
No problem.
44.
So this is also, my lord, already 7 years, 7 months, my lord.
Okay. It's Kolita. Who's A Kolita? A Kolita is there. These are very urgent matters actually. Paper book is there.
Paper book, we have not received the paper book.
No.
My lord, I've been informed that my lord, this petitioner, my lord, he has been elevated, my lord.
Also, our. mm.
Some other may be appointed. my lord.
It struck me that maybe him also, but I thought. Could we ask him that he's interested in doing it anyway?
Somebody else may be appointed.
Yes, I'll appoint. Two sets of paper book is there. Just before his. The. As the earlier amicus, Mr. Ikolita is on the bench now. Therefore, another amicus, learned counsel is required to be appointed as amicus. You can suggest whom?
From the list, my lord, anybody.
List can I write out now? Jail appeal is a jail appeal. They must be having the list here also. I can appoint the.
DK Bhattacharya, my lord, one of them.
He can also be
Yes,
appointed.
DK Bhattacharya.
DK Bhattacharya. He can be appointed. DK Bhattacharya, learned counsel. Two paper book in two sets are available in the case record, as also the original case record from the learned court below. One set of the paper book shall be furnished to the amicus and also the prosecution. Prosecution. Here, though, it's not necessary, no? This. Oh, this is POXO.
October, whether service has been served or not, my lord. That has to be looked into. Because nobody has been shown as a respondent. Man.
The registry will take the step, will send.
Will verify, my lord.
No, registry will send a notice.
Yes, my lord.
The registry shall send notice to the informant / victim of the case to the office of the prosecution. Same process, office, same. Nice paper book is there. One more copy is necessary. They'll take it out and give it. Date. Oh, yeah. Date to this already 7 years.
The services, that is important, my lord.
2-3, 2nd March.
My lord. 2-3 is a holiday, my lord. 6th of March. 6-3.
1 month from today. See.
My lord.
Today is
3 and 4 are holiday, my lord.
Today is 2nd, no?
2nd, my lord.
Okay.
So fix it or 2nd or 5th?
2nd or 5th?
My lord.
5th?
5th, my lord.
5th March. Yes.
Please, Mr. Lawson. My lord, respondent, my lord, repeatedly changed his present address, my lord. We wrote to the, my lord, appellate authority, my lord, to provide the correct address, my lord.
You are for the?
And for the, my lord, appellate, my lord.
Appellant.
Railway, my lord.
Achha.
Some time may be required for, my lord, accommodation.
It is an appeal against acquittal.
Appeal against acquittal, my lord.
Achha. Delay condonation is there.
Yes, my lord. I is for delay, my lord.
IS for delay condonation and leave petition that is disposed of.
Disposal. Well, railways file the appeal, that's why my lord leave my lord.
Acha, acha. I think that does not indicate disposed of. But no, I think it's not been taken up. It has not been taken up.
Oh my lord.
Anyway, so first we have to take up the delay condonation petition.
First, my lord, leave petition, my lord, first, my lord. Then my lord delay.
Then delay.
Then delay.
No, the thing is that
Without leave, my lord, the railway cannot file the appeal.
appeal also. And only if appeal is filed,
That's.
then the delay condonation will come.
condonation comes.
Acha. Who can help you? You said something. Who can help you with the address?
The railway authority, my lord, appellate, my lord.
But this first order, and this is order of our court. This is regarding the delay condonation order. Anyway, we'll take it up together.
My lord. But my lord, service is not complete here. That is the problem. Respondent is a auto driver, my lord. That's the my lord, railway crossing gate, my lord.
He had hit
Hit, my lord, then my lord, broken the.
that kind of, yes, I've come across that, those kind of offences. That becomes a railway offence.
Railway.
You cross the barrier, suppose you hit it. I don't know that is how realistic. Let me get a. The appellant being the railways,
My lord.
represented by the Senior Divisional Security Commissioner, NF Railway, Landing Division, shall procure the current address of the sole respondent, whereafter steps of notice shall be taken. That's all.
My lord.
Steps of notice shall be taken upon the same. Record has been received.
My lord.
We'll need the record at this stage.
First of all, my lord,
Okay.
service may come.
Okay. You take the steps, huh?
My
Don't forget.
My lord.
No, because these are all matters, no?
My lord.
Unless we are
Yes, my lord,
careful,
but-
it's always goes.
My lord, present address, my lord, he repeatedly changes, my lord.
Mm.
That is the difficulty.
These matters, newspaper publication cannot help, no? Criminal matter. Can it help? Is it applicable? I've brush up, I have to. Sometimes we, can it be resorted to? So I was just asking, it's not coming to my mind now at the moment. Suppose in criminal case, this kind of matters, can it come? Suppose you are not able to locate newspaper publication, can it come?
Can it maybe?
Then you take first, once you try to locate, huh? We'll fix a date, that is better, then it will,
Yeah.
then we'll keep track of the matter. You can suggest your date. After a month, at
After a
least
month.
after a month. 6/3,
Yes, my
6/3.
my lord.
Obliger.
46 and 47 are together, lordship.
47
Yes, they had adjourned it actually.
But these are tag matter.
Huh?
Tag matter from the same judgment.
Same judgment.
Date was fixed from.
No, they mentioned that they are only in this. So,
You are also 7 years conviction,
yes, yes.
more than 5
Yeah.
years.
next date we can fix.
16 to 26.
Hmm?
16 to.
We have fixed it on 16.
Lordship.
I fixed a date.
Only thing is that this is POCSO. And High Court had sent a notice. Now on the last date, public prosecutor has to obtain instruction whether it was served or not.
In that also, no? In that matter also.
If it is served in any of the case, because informant is the same.
Same. The judgment is same.
Yes.
Judgment is same.
Judgment is
Two
same.
people,
Yes.
two persons were convicted. You're amicus, right?
Okay.
The trial court record in original is available. Full stop. Appellant is represented. Appellant who is in custody is represented by Ms. B. Sharma, learned amicus. Full stop. DP Goswami, learned additional PP for the prosecution. Full stop. Will you take instructions?
Lordship.
The prosecution shall take instructions regarding service upon R2 informant. Release the matter on 16/2. Thereafter, we'll fix it for hearing. We'll fix a date. We'll take it up. All these matters we can take on a hearing then, or we can fix some of these matters where people are in custody at 2 and take it up.
Some of the cases, in fact, the conviction is already over. Also, such types of
Yeah,
issues
that's
are
why
pending.
we should never, that should never happen. You do,
Yes, Lordship.
whatever it is,
Yes,
whatever
at
guilt
least
or otherwise has
hearing
to be
should-
decided. Whether he is guilty, suppose, because see, the thing is that everyone is a human being. If a person has undergone a substantial part of the custody, while deciding the appeal also, your mind he's already passed. What is the, your ability to see it completely objectively may be hampered also sometimes, that he's already undergone, let us, that kind of human tendency also may come. That's not fair.
Yes.
That's not fair. It cannot be.
Obliged.
Maximum half, maximum. All any circumstances. Even that is too much.
48. 48.
এইটো মেনশন কৰিছিল 16 হ'ব দুইটা এটা লিখি দিব পাৰে it will be listed on 16 along with criminal appeal 26 of 2021 26 of 2021 X, tag X, refuse to accept. None appears on behalf of the petitioner today. Peruse the previous order dated 27/9/2021. Refused. X. No?
He refused to accept.
Full stop.
Return. Sender.
The notice upon the respond number 2 was sent at the address mentioned in the cause list, but as per office note dated 17/12/2025. It came back unserved with the remarks refused to accept. Full stop. Peruse the endorsement at flag X. Full stop. Therefore, service upon the respond number 2 is taken to be complete. Full stop. This is for quashing FIR. There was a complaint case earlier. Again, FIR has been filed, so he's agreed. 498A. 498A, but I don't see any order of stay. I don't see any order of stay. Again, we have to get the case diary then.
Yes, sir.
Call for the case, huh?
2021.
Call for the case diary of Dispur PS case number 226 of 21. Based on FIR dated BSEC 2021. So we can dispose it of if they appear. This is the matter in the orders column on uh, 663. Mm.
49.
Yes,
May I please your lordship?
yes,
I am appearing on behalf of OS Mannan.
yes.
Lordship will take a step. Kindly 2 or
Okay.
3 days.
Just a minute. I'm just seeing the stays, no? This FIR, no? It's- Fresh steps, okay, fresh steps. We take fresh steps. Your good name, please.
M. Begum.
M. Begum, learned counsel for the petitioner, appears and submits that the petitioner, they shall take fresh steps upon the respond number 2. Actually, madam, this is again DSP CM's vigilance.
Vigilance.
They can be represented by prosecution, actually. Police officer can be represented by prosecution, but he is the special PP.
Special PP
You
vigilance.
can have a similar order, isn't
That's
it? So,
Orders will be reflected.
other stuff. However, I find that respond number 2 is a police official who was then DSP in the CM vigilance cell. Full stop. And therefore, the special public prosecutor CM vigilance can represent the respond number 2. You need not take steps. Huh? He will represent. He can represent. The name of the special PP CM vigilance shall be reflected in the cause list on next and subsequent dates. And the challenge was for quashing the impugn FIR. This was filed for quashing vigilance PS case number 2 of 2021 based on FIR dated 4/6/2021. Notes. Please the matter on. You can suggest, I mean, what should I do?
Last.
Is there any stay order? Let me check it once. I'm not seeing any stay order. Anyway, so let us wait for the case there. Case diary will be necessary, right?
Yes, sir.
Call for the case diary of so and so vigilance case number. So we'll take it forward, some in this time. List on. You can suggest a date, 27.
27/2.
27/2.
Supplementary calling is item 61. 61.
If it doesn't.
No, also orders.
Fine. Hearing was me. One order. List over also. Production list. We do it. One matter.
61.
some instructions.
Report regarding for Zimma of the vehicle. We have not received the report.
Then also instruction whether you can represent him. I think you can represent him. Any public authority prosecutor can represent actually, unless he has a special interest to
SI Vishal, yes, sir.
appear by himself or something, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Because you are also a public authority. The respondent number 2 is a police official. Full stop. And he can be represented by the learned additional people. Full stop. In this petition proceeding, the petitioner is assailing the order dated 15/7/25 passed by learned session judge Kamrup Aminggaon in NDPS 7 of 25, rejecting the prayer of the petitioner for interim custody of Bolero vehicle AS01 FZ 7976. Full stop. Actually, he can 15/7 up to date. He can file in the trial court actually, because I can examine at that time only. Actually, isn't it?
7, yes.
Up to date Zimma report sometimes we get, but actually that is not the spirit of revision. Revision, I have to examine that. Criminal petition maybe. Revision that whether that order was correct at that time. Right?
Because time is elapsed.
Strictly speaking. But in that, otherwise, if in the meantime, many things have happened, investigation completed, so the trial court maybe can give. So it was filed actually immediately after rejection, and because of the pendency, it has become like that. Anyway, so 2 to none appears. This is the matter on. Any we don't need in a record, man. This
Not in record, Lordship. Report from the
Please, Stephen suggested it.
Lordship.
Suggested it.
First week of March, was it 2nd of March also?
2nd of March. Leftover minutes. Timing it. Productions.
Production is item number 1. Wait, please, Your Lordship. My lord, actually this matter was listed on Friday, Lordship.
Okay.
And there was a direction for listing this matter today, Lordship. And on the day, there is a interim order is there. That was also not, maybe inadvertently that was not continued, Lordship. I am praying for that part only, interim may be continued, Lordship. And the matter may be listed on any other date, Lordship, on 6th or another date.
The petitioner was granted interim bail on 19/11/2025. Diary has been received, right? I think you have received.
Diary is there, Lordship.
Diary is there.
Yes.
So, okay, when would be convenient for Lanet Senior
Maybe
Counsel?
Friday, Lordship, 6th.
On Friday? Right?
Lordship.
The case diary is already available and shall be retained. Is the matter on 6th.
Yes, Lordship.
6/2/2026. The interim order granted by
19/11/25.
(19/11/2025) shall stand extended till the next date of listing. Actually, somebody who can also argue that something which has expired cannot be renewed. But actually fresh interim protection has to be given till but if you interpret it strictly, the Petitioner shall be on interim pre-arrest bail. um, uh, Till the next date of list, something like that.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Time being 15.
Wait, Mr. Lordship. Lordship, here petitioner before my lord,
Yes, yes.
is, one is the
The
husband,
admission matter, right?
my lord, one is the husband and two is the wife.
Mhm.
My lord, one third person has filed the FIR regarding child marriage,
Child
my
marriage.
lord. Now, the fact, my lord, the girl was love affair with the petitioner number one and eloped with him and subsequently married. Now, one 2 year child is there. My lord, they are living very peaceful, happy and peaceful life. So victim also pays 40, executed an affidavit saying that, my lord, pays 40, paragraph 3 and 4, my lord.
Page 40.
Page 40, my lord. This is the affidavit executed by the wife, the victim petitioner number 2. Paragraph basically 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4.
Okay, you are for the
My
informant.
lord, my lord also passed some order. I am
Yes, yes,
giving
yes.
to my lord.
Anyways,
But since victim is before my lord, they are living very peaceful life with a child of 2 years. I have also annexed one similar order also, my lord, that is page 35 also. And this is my lord's order. Sorry, page. Page 35.
Mhm.
This is passed by the coordinate bench, my lord.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Same case, my lord, child marriage case, proceeding has been passed. And I also submit before my lord's one order.
Oh, so just have a look. Just should note. You are supporting the affidavit?
Yes,
Yes, supporting. Broadly on similar lines, some covered. So sit down, we'll dispose it of. Invoking 582, 528 BNSS, the petitioners are seeking quashing of special case number 121 of 24 within bracket GR number 110 of 23 bracket close arising out of Mankasar PS case number 61 of 23 under section 910 so and so the child marriage related POCSO Act. So the said case is pending before learned special judge Salmara Mankasar. An FIR was lodged by Arafat Hussain. You are for Arafat Hussain. He's a village person, no? Village.
BDP secretary.
BDP secretary.
BDP secretary, then BDP secretary. on 2/2/23 alleging a child marriage, whereupon the case was registered, investigated, and charge sheeted against the petitioners. Full stop. Subsequently, the aforementioned special case was registered, whereupon charges were also framed and case is stated to be at the stage of evidence. Full stop. In the meantime, the victim, alleged victim, Sohana Parvin, has sworn an affidavit in which she stated that when she was just below the age of 18 years, she had love affair with Sopiul Haq, son of Soidur Rahman, and married him. She further stated in para 3 that she is now living peacefully with him as his wife and having one child. Full stop. She stated about the present case. It is stated in para 5 that if the proceeding continues, she stated in para 4 and 5 that if the proceeding continues, she and her husband will suffer loss, and that she has no objection to quashing of the state proceeding. Stop. Anything from your side, Goswami? Nothing. What can you do?
Out of the only for the side marriage.
Similar order. In support of his contention, the petitioner counsel has relied upon two decisions of this court in so and so criminal petition. It was criminal petition number 13 of 2025, where proceedings are quashed in similar circumstances. Let me narration koriso kana. You can take it. The learned counsel for the your good name, please.
R. Hope.
R. Hope, learned counsel for the informant, Arafat Hussain, appears and submits that he has no objection to quashing of the proceeding, and that he also supports the affidavit made by the alleged victim girl, who is now the wife of the petitioner number 1. Who's petitioner number 2 is?
2 is the wife, victim.
Also, she is the petitioner. She joined as a petitioner.
Joint petitioner.
The petitioner, the victim herself was joined as petitioner number 2 in this proceeding. Full stop. That's what you just para 8 to 11. Okay, wash, settle.
I'm deeply aware.
No need to write much. More position. 8 to na? Para 8 to 13. This was allowed and dismissed.
36.
60. Just a minute, if you don't mind.
60.
What is this matter? Small matter. Maybe. This is not bail. Criminal leave petition. I'll take up the bail first. Don't mind. Yes.
This is AB matter.
AB.
Earlier, my lord, lordship was pleased to grant interim, my lord. We appeared before the IO and the statement was recorded, my lord. Allegation was of rape, my lord. And our contention was that, my lord, there was an extramarital relationship between the petitioner and the informant. And the husband and the in-laws found out, and after that, she was pressurized to lodge the FIR, my lord. That's our case, my lord. He has cooperated all along, my lord. Appeared, statement recorded. So, my lord, lordship may consider the, my lord, prayer for making the interim absolute, my lord. That much, my lord.
And I have received a case diary and he has, as per our interim order, he has appeared in statement recorded. As per the 183 statement, victim fully implicated the petitioner.
Implicated.
Fully implicated.
Let us have a look.
Regarding this implication part, madam, since madam, she has lost the record, definitely she will iterate this statement, madam. But
So
let's
then,
see if there are
then,
corroborating statements or
suppose if
physical-
your
yes.
instruction is correct, then it
Yes.
has to be said that
Yes.
her statement is not true.
Yes,
in the
supporting evidence.
164.
Yes.
But we have to assume that it
Yes.
is true. That
Yes.
is the thing.
Yes,
If
regarding
people
medical-
if people lie on oath, then it will no longer be possible to find the truth.
And the truth, madam.
Believe me, no longer be possible to find the truth. That is the sanctity of an oath.
Madam. That's why, madam, in other countries that perjury.
Perjury is
there.
well, perjury is not. But developing countries, huge populations, or some practical difficulties also. Many people do not know also.
Yes.
They do not know also that
That's why,
they
madam,
are making
in
contradictory statements.
trial, madam,
161 and
yes.
164.
In trial, we have seen, madam, the way, madam, people are made hostile.
Uh-huh.
They don't even are afraid to contradict their earlier statements, madam.
What to do then? What is our statement? Any indication in the investigation materials
No.
to about this?
Illicit
that-
affairs, no,
Nothing.
nothing there.
Sure.
Affairs বুলি কোৱা নাই। Affairs বুলি কোৱা নাই। Affairs বুলি কোৱা নাই।
He took away 1,50,000 also. He said 1,50,000 ornaments.
But police registered it under only 329, 329(4).
I don't know what is.
1,50,000 means delivery from our scene.
Huh?
The value of the gold chain is 1.5, I think so.
FIR not registered under that. those categories.
Difficult to allow also then.
And Lordship will kindly see whether, my lord, her statement has been corroborated by other witnesses.
That's why I was
including
asking him.
Including neighbors, my lord, or the medical. Because it is far more easier for her to, my lord, make such allegations, my lord, than the accused. Anybody can lodge an FIR and then again reiterate the same statement.
Then
with
gone.
the statements, my lord. So
If POCSO people lie in POCSO,
Yes.
then had it.
So, yes.
Then
So,
someone will be sentenced
Yes.
to 20 years.
yes.
And in POCSO, you cannot even prosecute the person because he's a victim, he's a minor.
Yes.
If suppose it is not true then.
A statement of the neighbors, they have heard about the incident, Lordship.
আমার গাঁৱৰে নচা Moinot only just, you have marked.
Yes.
Just I am having some problem with this part of the
But
handwriting.
I'll control.
Then I'll have to see it in detail inside.
He's the husband of the victim women, Lordship.
Hmm?
It is witness is the husband of the victim lady.
Any independent witness? Because if we have doubts, then it's better to make it absolute.
Independent witness lordship,
If
neighbor.
we are reasonably sure that it is indeed a attempt to rape or rape, then it should not be made absolute. That's the thing.
Because if the lordship will privacy see the FIR, this type of FIRs, my lord, typically lodged in those areas, my lord. That when she was out for, my lord, attending the Nether's call, he was waiting. These are typical FIRs, my lord.
What has he stated in the his statement?
In his statement, I know her from a long back, and some regarding some confrontation took place regarding the family matters. And it is also from the long time lordship. But still be denied. I have never tried to rape her or raped her.
He will deny about relationship.
Deny about relationship. There is no statement regarding relationship.
Anyway, so. For as
Only
does-
thing-
The petitioner was granted interim bail on 8/1/2026. The case diary has been received. Full stop. The learned additional PP submits that in her statement, the prosecutrix has implicated the petitioner. Full stop. The learned, Mr. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that drawing attention to the relevant paragraphs of the bail petition submits that there was a illicit relationship between the accused and the petitioner, and when this was found out by her husband's family, she was forced to lodge this case and with a view to protecting the reputation. Full stop. It is submitted that the statement of the girl may also be seen in this perspective. Full stop. Pursuant to grant of interim, the petitioner has appeared before the IO and his statement has been recorded, in which he is stated to have denied the alleged offence. Anyway. Full stop. In view of the cooperation rendered by the petitioner to the investigation, pursuant to grant of interim, it may not be essential to cancel the interim bail. Full stop. Despite some adverse materials also. In such view of the matter, interim bail is hereby made absolute, subject to the condition that he shall render cooperation to remaining investigation, shall not hamper or tamper evidence, shall not intimidate or harm the victim girl in any manner. Return the case there.
Highly obliged, my lord.
This was.
26.
Lordships will peruse the office note, my lord.
Yes, we should be able to find.
We will again take steps, my lord.
Uh,
They are
This,
talking-
the main matter is, this, is it
Lordships,
check bouncing? No.
Lordship. No check bouncing, lordships.
Complaint case.
Complaint case, lordships. They are talking to us over phone, lordships, over the years. But
Okay.
in the meantime, this has not been listed for a quite some time, lordship. It
Yes.
was last listed in 2021, man.
Yes, yes.
We'll again take steps.
Always make a mention on these things. The complaint case was, he was acquitted
No, lordships. It was dismissed for non-prosecution, matter.
or dismissed for non-prosecution.
Lordship.
Yes. Under 256
Lordship.
or something of that.
Lordship.
And leave petition, everything is pending, no?
Lordship.
Leave, delay,
Pending, ma'am.
everything is pending.
Pending.
Mr. Garodi,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner, complainant, submits that that fresh steps shall be taken upon all the 5 respondents
Lordship.
at their at their concerned address. The petitioner in this proceeding is seeking, is aggrieved by the dismissal of CR case number 5379 of 2008. Pending in the court of Larned GMFC, which was pending in the court of Larned GMFC, Kamrup M. And that the same was dismissed for non-prosecution. Steps shall be taken expeditiously.
As far as respondent number 3 is concerned, Lordships, return to sender is the noting, my lord. Return to sender is like, my lord, in my most respectful submission, he has not been served only, Lordship.
Not been served. Yes, we can take a fresh chance.
Got it.
Any
Okay.
suggested date from your side?
My lord, can it be taken into notice? First, second week of April, my lord.
We can make it little earlier because
Yes,
we can
Lord.
say
Yes, Lord.
March,
My lord,
take a date in March.
Last week of March, my lord.
Last or third week of March,
Yes,
something of that sort. Okay. 25/3,
Yes, Lordship.
no? Done. Better to fix a date,
Lord.
since it was
Yes, Lord.
not listed for a
Yes,
long time, then we are safe.
Much obliged, Lord.
Hearing again, 51, 52.
The matter may be passed over for the day.
Anyway, it's come up at the fag end of this thing. 51, 52 are common.
Yes.
You're for the?
And for, my lord, respondent number 2.
Two.
And for item number 52, Lordship.
Huh?
Item number 52, respondent.
Okay. Right. Both of you are for the respondents. Just exercise, huh? Quashing of FIR. Achha. Any stay order is there? Stay order is there? You may not be able to say because all matter. Is there will be necessary? Something has come. TCR. But it is investigation stage. Okay, I'll accommodate it, no problem. But fix another date then. I'm just trying to understand what is the matter. It is already charge sheeted in the meantime. Actually, ideally, one additional affidavit should have been filed, ideally. But we can take up. Since in the meantime, when you filed it, it was only FIR. In the meantime, charge sheet has been filed. So better to file an additional affidavit to update the situation. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks another date for the matter. The case record has been received. This original case recording. Case record has been received. Mr. Bothakur, this appears for respondent number, respondent number 2 and second matter, he has appeared. Please take a date. You can what you can do is you can work out a date and then we can do it. We can do it. On that matter. All matter. 17 revision will go on. Huh?
Any date.
Of,
February last week, Lordship.
February last week we can see.
26.
Should I fix it for hearing matter?
Yes,
As hearing matter. It's already, it's already hearing. It's already hearing. Oh yeah, 26/2, okay. 26/2, we'll take a chance on 26/2.
53.
Deeply obliged.
Orders please. Yes, Mr. Mani.
Lordship, my senior counsel met with an accident yesterday and has sustained a minor knee injury. Therefore, he cannot be present today. And he is advised by doctor for rest, Lordship.
Just-
Therefore, kindly matter may be adjourned for the day and list the matter after 2 weeks, Lordship.
We are for the informant,
Yes.
washing of
Quashing of
FIR.
charge sheet and enter proceeding.
Huh? And-
Quashing of charge sheet and enter
Entire
proceeding.
The, both the, your good name, please?
M. Teronpi.
I'm now learned counsel for the petition appearing today. So, seeks an adjournment on behalf of the leading counsel due to some medical reason. Respondent number 2 is represented by learned counsel. Mr. Ranjit. Any record shall we need? We'll need a record, na? LCR.
Record.
This much will do.
Yes,
This much will do.
only CD will be there because the charge sheeted case.
Charge sheeted.
Only
This
CD.
much is there.
This much.
Will do. No, this will do. The scanned case record is has been received. It's available. It's okay. Take a date.
Yes.
Take a date.
Can it be on any date on first week's 7th?
For March.
7th of March. Sorry.
Saturday, first Saturday. Saturday.
Saturday. Open agriculture Saturday open council.
We can hear it maybe. no?
Yeah.
On that day. 7th of March? No, okay. 7
Deep.
free. 7 free.